This one, these two vehicles, this black Land Cruiser and the one behind it, are the vehicles of the parliamentary candidate for Ayawaso West Wuogon, the MPP candidate, Lydia, who is currently in Parliament. Now watch behind the cars. You see a police vehicle. You see those guys again. They were escorting her from polling station to polling station. And so they were providing security to the parliamentary candidate of the NPP. This is the meteorological station, the headquarters of the meteorological agency. There's a polling station there. And so she was going on an inspection of the polling stations. And these guys who perpetrated the violence were escorting her from polling station to polling station. I mean, if they were neutral participants, what would they be doing, escorting one parliamentary candidate and then attacking the house of another and discharging weapons and injuring people? And so it just shows absolute proof that this was a partisan deployment, and as they themselves said, a dress rehearsal for the year 2020. Now, following what happened in Ayawaso, prior to that, a letter was written, and I'm sure it has come to your attention, and it was written by a certain Captain Simon Ansu Tengabo, retired, and he's supposed to be a regional security liaison officer. Regional security liaison officer working with the Upper West Regional Coordinating Council. Our regions are administered by coordinating councils, regional coordinating councils, and the regional minister is the head of the regional coordinating council. And these councils are supposed to be administrative and to work to administer the region. Now, a security liaison officer working with the security, the coordinating council, Upper West Regional Coordinating Council, writes to the MPP constituency chairman and asks him to select suitable party members for training as electoral security team to closely monitor the 2020 elections. This is a government agency, a public servant, working with the coordinating council, writes to the MPP chairman and says, select teams of able-bodied. They said able-bodied. When you say able-bodied, it means, physically fit persons to be trained as election security personnel for 2020 election. And they will in turn train others to man polling stations. Now, what kind of training are they talking about? And we believe that this is a decentralization of the dress rehearsal that we saw in Ayawaso West. And so it connotes a lot of danger signals for the year 2020. And we believe that the diplomatic corps, civil society, and everybody should be apprised of exactly what is happening, so that this government can be called to order. As I said, we stand for peace. We believe that if an election is peaceful, transparent, and fair, we will win the election. We don't need to perpetrate violence to win an election. But unfortunately, our opponents don't think so. They have control of the instruments of security of this country, and they're using it to their advantage to try and intimidate people so that they can retain power in the year 2020. So we'll continue to count on you, and we'll continue to brief you as we go, because we know that the international community are stakeholders in the stability of Ghana. And so I thank you very much.
In fact, me DJ Obibre as a national. If you say me tie Saadi and see, Eura Danaha, ye how party to a woman who say ye unemployment. A Juma in your name. A Juma in your name, so no. Yeah, how one a bit me a boy and a dear to my bow mine. Now, say, yeah, you won't be a say a bit to me. I can't in no more one brutally to when the war seeker, now when the war capital, one know how only in Yuma Horo Abaha
could see say on Asempa.
Sir, I didn't know. Be Piara over ye, Wakana has over Kafagana Hono. No, sir, we are actually now one more and Kofu. Nasa, Butaya, a war. I bring beer any so. I bring beer about, so take my bow, me. If you say, Sir MP, are buying saying this, you are buying a Juma dear. I hear your social care.
Asempa
Minister of Education, I invest all millions.
Asempa FM.
It can you imagine say invest so hard? A produce who graduates. I am share. It is a sign of there. Now say a Juma ye near I bomb with the Urunanko for the Sika, any a capital, any you know how Abano, this will be a bonnet ye. As I brought for Kroya, you see actually who call Brownie, I know. Now election by election keke. Asempa is one of my means as a wing. One the by election be a sim. You will do the first by election as a massive wood to a may winning be. Now, Uko Bonia song. Say Ghana, I say, if we are behind there. I will know area. Would a conya of my penny, you can clear the Benyaswatran. Then look at Kebinyaswatrano. Not as a Yamiani, I don't say one between Yasai, a Quenian Atla, a Benya Cassiano. O transfer, o Casama, a Quachiri, o Casama, a Motu, o Casama, Ho, a month, a my Afghana for PIGT, to O Casamano, he Now, so, of course, for a ho, one could think of more, such or say, or Mamu, Sakasaka womb, stability nim. No Casa, no Casagana, hey. She took a year a Kufadra, can you see her? Cote d'Ivoire. I do not know it.
Asempa FM. Asempa FM.
Where dia sedama obadia wadoma kan ye ho aboye ho ban na bosum ye toso mienu ne da ye toso dunsia afimpinu ene edu enkno nyankopon adom yen amano ato yen yemfa seda emani din sa waka ye ho efse nye nipa nyina na anya ne seye ebi anya ne seye kura ba bi aboda no enye nanso ye de wadom ye aboye ho ban ya kan ye ho baby awoda ne ekoso bia no fa seda matwede ampo evise enko onim ne na ebesi wo mu kyese nko nhwe wo so kora nka ade de nko ma ne nche ho eti ne ade ache yesue ne de aseda na ema no ebra so se yenyina ye ka bom dwumadie baako o man Ghana mu enye nipa baako na ye yenyina dom ne ka bom ni aye enti edi eda so ene ne honam se ye be kukuru ye dom na ebe kukuru enti wo me yenyina ye ka bom ane ye kukuru ewo Kukurantumi dwumadie a ye different Asempa 94.7 FM so ema mo etiefo enne na watwi nsema hodo ye ekoso ewo mu amanyosem ne edi ehimma wo man Ghana mu ne ekoso aman bi so ne ebetumi aye nhweso de amayen eno ena sebri du abusua ne aka nyina bom ye bone tofa ye bo akire ti se koko sika ne de enema tumi amamu ten so se ne ebeyo na enema betumi akoso na nka na no paye ba ye no abusua nke de ni be kire Nigeria manum ni ahwa abato anke ne eboso woto Nigeria manumu nanso sabutwa electoral commission INEC mpanimfo ye wo Nigeria chemu se abano woto a enye yie abano woto a enye yie enti nei Nigeria abato no a ejama Nigeria man obi apesu ogina no opribie wo bi edom Ghana yenya nipa du enson ya bonum ye so ye koprema mpani dibre ena ye betu wodin se ewo akromfo du enson ko Nigeria na kohwe dom ya wo bia se o medi mampani medibi nanso se wutie nkontabuo ne niema ye firimu ba nipa mienu ya wonum de beka se nipa we de frontline se anko ebeko ha se enokura de Nigeria fo e Ghana ne omtwetwe nkomo musio se Africa had we know how the elections go eti ni oteso na obewe ne nanse niema sesa enti ebeye vice president former Atiku Abubakar anase mampani Muhammadu Buhari ya woteso ya nka nimfie de wiase ni nipa nyina chese pepe wago papa ahwodin kure bi ni honti nkuonsi fom ebekọ hinfe dom no hinfa na Nigeria batro na ebekọ electoral commission panimfo ye wo Nigeria memna no pa maka kire yense abano woto a enye yesa se akade ye wo se wonya ka ho no de to abano won ho nsuo nson wadwade enti abano wonya nto ne nyame ya dom a February busumi no mu eno enka wonu mu enka nei ene ye sen nei 16th na nke wo so woto they say wo de kwa animu enti sa wo hwa se ne eniamasi ekwa nyame ya dom a next week for you so e was Asempa 94.7 FM Kukurantumi dwumadie eso esem ni bi won mate ana esre nyame ya domo a bosumi weya ye wo mu ne de toso aduonum yensa ena ese Nigeria batcho no mpanimfo atu ade akɔhye eye 23rd of February na chese next week ena nipa duoson ane akire aduoson ne akire no kwalisa ne obi aso obedi mampani ti ebehwe ne ebekɔso wɔ Nigeria manumu na wutie wan ne pani akuhudu a omudi omani di abatro no akira ne omo ka ne se mpanimfo anhwɛ na opposition leader baako ya kyese atutuakuo so wɔ ka ho sabre ya kye no atum se ya nya no a niema nkoye enso nessa wo hwɛ reasons ba ye no a se nipa yekum wɔ Nigeria manumu se ye de ben electoral commission panimfo kyem se eye logistics eniema ebo se wonya no de hwa abatro nso de bo akade no ena nso ye ntinye bibia akade ntia edi no an yeso ye de twidwa ye de akire bie enti efri Nigeria manumu abusua ne emra Ghana na ye ka Nigeria de no nyame ya dom a afrase afisese wo man Ghana mu no na Ghana so mu aye kyekyekyekye ne kura de kyese afi no kura ye nu 2020 ne nuru mu eso hwe ne ekoso wo Ghana wutim sa manfo afiri ntem oburasuo ama wani aye kokko na duru abato no a na kyese nya afi no wo be hye bon campaign no ase afi na asofo aka kire yense wonum so de wo ho beji campaign be kɔ so 2020 mu ɛna asɔfo na ɛka wo wo mo de wo ho beji 2020 elections no ɔmo nyan mama nyɔfo nko enye campaign tumfuturo engu Ghana fo ani na ɔmo de ɔmo campaign ɔmo bɛyɛ no ɔmo ma megina hɔ no mo ɔmo megina simpie so meka sɛ otoma we amanyoku a enu 2020 na woda so wɔ vigilante group ɛwɔ mayi mu no amanyoku a enu 2020 na wo ka so me wɔ invisible forces me wɔ delta forces me wɔ azoka boys hwane no wo mu gina campaign no simpie so a mo de bɛka sɛ muntunti omo mpɛ Ghana yiedie omo mpa somie enti asɔfo yi ɛwɔ mayi mu religious leaders ye wo mayimo ebi asɛm a wonum ka no sɛ wo mo ntena se nhwɛ mama nyofo wonum meku ye todwe eti enu hɔ nom na wunipa korɔ won kan kyerɛ ye won hyɛ ye bɔ won nua bo nhyɛ nwuso sɛ obɛma so mia kɔso wo mayimo a monkɔ mo ne mo yere ne mo ma monkɔ to aba no ye hwɛ ne ye bɛkɔ so na ni nyina no besi ayawaso westwogon abatoa ye kɔso wɔ hɔnom we ye by election ba ko pe constituency ba ko pe enti ye nka no by elections impo by election ye kɔso wɔ ayawaso westwogon constituency ba ko pe ɛhɔnom ne yesi ye atwitwasɛm ye kɔso ɛwɔ hɔnom chirinsɛm ane bebre chirinsɛm abusua ye yaka ye nwie ye efri da ye to aba ne wie ye ede beto nne kyese nipa a wonum prepra ye ya ne ba koda ya sabi ono ne nanu si etwo si ende yo da bia ne asɛm foforo efiri mu oba emrahye badwani ya abo no so oje sotoro ɛwɔ hɔ no mo ɛne hwehwɛmu ampanimfo se wo yo nyina da abusua yeguso ya yehwe na wotwe de wohwe a ayawaso wasuogun abato mpeso ano so ne efiri hɔ no mo ba abato no akiri no ye mampani dada ya wakwa akohia diplomats okoye no wo se bibi ikoso wo Ghana nye bibi ikoso wo Ghana nye opesa mansan nyina ehu enti ne video ya mampani dada dwoma amade wo pe video ne evidence pa sane ya biribi atwa mu mra hyebadwamu no obodin we ne maye no ama we ya sore na wonde wo pesa enema no pa nti wotumi yi kire se o we nie eti na no diplomacy wo abra wo hia bon ene video ena gina ho ena we ba no wa kire hwe prosini o chasomade hwe ne ekɔso nie hwe se mra hyebadwani ya bona sumuo en we yi akira na nasɛm tia wa ne sɛ asumia batu mu asumie Ghana ne ekoso no ene ho nwuma na reala wotwe sɛ die nti na ye ko die nti ne ye ko asase nyantam ene da hoyi die ho na ye ko ene mampani dada watubie gum papa no owie ye na ya asafo mafoso anu ye yi ode aba abusu nyina ya tibi they say aye painter ene ne wode black paint ne ba ye isa na ya asafo mafo nde na asɛm a wɔka nyina ne sɛ chese mampani dada penti tuntum makado tuntum ene wa penti Ghana ne wɔde akyerɛ wiase nyina ena wuti NDC fo no so omsie na sa penti tuntum no ho ana yoye eti ese Ghana blame game no a ye blame ena wo na ye penti no na me nso me de kɔ abonten na mkɔye ye na chese ye kɔka no abonten kɔyi ye de kyerɛ ye ne kɔsi sɛn ena ye nyina ye hwɛ ye mo amanyokuo no ankasa matete sa vigilante groups no ena mo hwɛ ye na mu gu no na asumwie ba ya enka ni sɛ na ebi na mo a afɛ ne ye chinipe diplomats ebi so kamu kwe sa na openti Ghana black wofro Abusia yenko ahoma so na yene yenua bema ba ko ya Nigeria mano emu the bonkata ba ko ye wo honom the Punch newspaper ye wo Nigeria yene no entwetwe enkomo ne enhwe ne yakoso e wo Nigeria manumu anopa die ne siye ni din edi Jesusa Alaji e wo Nigeria mano emu yenko ahoma so na yene no entwetwe enkomo ne enhwe ne yakoso e wo Nigeria mano emu Jesusa. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, my brother.
Hello?
Hello,
Yeah,
good morning, my brother. How is Nigeria?
Yeah, Nigeria is fine.
We've had an information that the election that was supposed to be held today, it has been postponed. What is the reason?
Yes, just around 1 a.m. today, the INEC chairman yesterday, that was Friday, yesterday, the INEC chairman, Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, he called a stakeholders meeting, and then they discussed and they met, and after the meeting, they concluded that INEC was facing some logistics problem, so they had to postpone the elections. Actually, last week there were about 3 places in the country where voter cards were burnt, and also voting machines were burnt, and I think it's given them some issues. So they said some other logistics problems arose, and that they have to fix them before going to the polls. So they postponed the election till next Saturday, February 23rd. So that's what's happening right now. But the INEC chairman said there will be a full briefing by 2 p.m. today in Abuja. So we're still keeping our fingers first.
Hello. Hello. Abusafo ye bom modern say ye nsabeka yenua bema Jesusa Alaji na yie na yene no atoaso na nkoma a wode eto yanimo no fa Nigeria batro no yankenne wose koso wutia na ensam ampanimfo nde abetudwa efa akade ye wose wonya ewo abatro no ehu no na wo che mu se chese mpanimfo de ato anim ne omo madikan ate no chese akade ye wose omunya no enema NCP nanso electoral commission mpanimfo ewo Nigeria manum chire mu se enne awie no mienu pepepe wonumu ebehia nsentwefo na ne ewo ho bia no wode ato animu eyie eti Nigeria ne hade enhuma no ye momoden na yensa enkan yi na ye ntoa so ewo dwumadie no eso abusia yeguso ewo Asempa 94.7 FM so na ye nhwe ne yekoso ewo Nigeria man no emu ne yesa akọ hono ebio na ye ne owura Albert Kofi Ahen ya chese ba abatwo mu dia wodi akire papa ne kodeyo kuo no mu ene wo kodeyo na ne koso wa ya waso waso agon omo nso ade bi betu dwa enne omo de aduru Nigeria na omo koduru Nigeria no san ena niema esi ekoye nwese onna homa yi betumi atwomu yie ede amaya owura beta he me mo ache mo akwa abade oba Asempa FM so
I understand you're going to have a
hello
conference at 2.
Hello.
But my question is, are we going back?
Abusafo monfa nche ye ni ohuma no ye bebo moden aka tutumu yi na fe ye ne mpanimfo no atwetwe nkomo na ya hwe ne ekoso wo Nigeria man no emu owura beta hin utimi se edem nanso no babia wogina ne se ne enema esi ekoso no wadwuma wo ye no ye momoden ne ensa enka ne yim no nso abapa ho ensia ewo Asempa 94.7 FM so yeguso ewo Kukurantumi dwumadie so medika de ato anim ne ekoso ewo Nigeria man no emu na enei information ayanya echi mu se na de achinye wonumu akohu emu ya meka na chese funu nipa ayakumwo emu maako aduosia ensia ewo Kaduna State ye bo Nigeria man no emu enna nke wose ye to abai no ne ekoso ewo Nigeria man no mu no nanso no electoral commission mpanimfo no reasons omode aba na medical ka se oman ka se enunchi se nipa ayakumwo o Kaduna State wonom no enti ɛna abatwo no wɔtwe ase sɛ ɔmo de ne ɔmo ka ne sɛ ɔma kadeɛ yɛ wɔ sɛ ɔmo nya eti yɛnsa hwɛ sɛ owura abɛta hin yɛnsa ɛbɛka ne yie ana afei yɛne no ɛntoa so ɛmfiri hɔ no mo hello abusia yɛbɛkɔ so na yɛpusu ahoma no na yɛnhwɛ na wɔtwe ne ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Ghana asɛ bi yɛgu so ɛtoto nhoma no sɛ yɛnsa bɛka mpanimfoɔ yie ne wɔn atoa so Ghana mampanin na adoda nkɔ akufo ado na wɔtwe ɛne mantam ahodoɔ enum wekura deɛ nsia ɛna mampanin hyɛ ho bɔ sɛ wɔbɛteɛ na nanom nkrataa yɛ ɔde kɔto mampanin pono so sɛ wɔhia sɛ mantam ahodoɔ ɛbɛboa wɔn na baabi a wɔwɔ capitals no wohwɛ baabi a wɔne baabi a wɔnum so wɔ firifiri yɛ abɔba hɔ no mo asɛ ebi si ɛkwan wɔ ebi reasons ɔmo de kɔ yɛ na ɛkwan wɔ distance no ɛna ebi so kan yɛ abesi so na ɛsɛsɛ wohwɛ nipa adɔɔso wɔ ha wɔnum kan yɛ wɔ bia ne reason yɛ abɔde ɛbaayɛ nanso ne yakɔ mu na wɔtwe mampanin na adoda nkɔ akufo ado mmara yɛ ɛbɛbɔ saa mantam no kyi ami yɛtumi aka sɛ wei yɛ mantam a yɛgyina mmara so ateɛ ɛyɛ CI no ɛneɛ nsia ne nyinaa wɔde ho nkrataa ama wɔn yɛ nhyehyɛeɛ a ɛwɔ sɛ ɛkɔ soɔ so panimfoɔ gu so ɛyɛ ne yɛhyɛ aseɛ firi atɔyɛ mantam a Western North ne ɛfiri hɔ no mo ɛbaa yɛ ne sɛ ɛnɛ yi sɛ Western North yɛpɛ ne capital baabi ani abusua yɛnkɔ mmara ne de momfa nkyɛ yɛ ni o hello Orahin
Yes.
hello Orahin
Mpate me online so kasa.
aha yɛ mo akyɛ mo akɔ abade oba Asempa 94.7 FM so anɔpɛ yi
Me jo so na me tia wo tie phone so.
Atiefo so gye so pa na anɔpɛ yɛ nya ne nteɛ sɛ Nigeria manum kɔdeyefo maduru hɔ no mo kɔ yɛ agya abatwo no ntoto yɛ freedom muduru hɔ bɛtɔ nne no sɛ na nneɛma si korɔ wɔ Nigeria manum
Yo me da se enra na jo nka bibia e ko fine training ni ade na e ko so ya na agya news nsunti yetieti de e ko so ni ade na na mahamachin e bo no mensa no am say na me ye adwuma bia na me di me TV ni to ye friend sen wo mu channel so no ba ko na INEC no International Electoral Commission na wɔ Nigeria no omo chairman no be announcement say election no omo tu asheda nkenne ne wo se omo eto aba no enso omo tu asheda na de e won mo ba ko omo ni say time na omo de announcement o 3 am you can imagine 3 am ankofo bi omo nam kwa so wo hwe koisi ne kese esi tie no omo kwa up and down ne ade a na ye kan say bi election in maso at 3 am I'm sorry but now I'm say BB nam council by in the sense na yetete so logistics no
abusia yɛbɛ bɔ mɔde na yɛnsa kan wura abɛta hin bio na yɛahwɛse yɛbɛtumi ɛne no atoa so a na wutie mu a na sɛ ade akye awie koraa o 3 am deɛ na kyɛ sɛ ɛna no pɛ yɛnɛ no a yɛbɛto aba no ɛnɛ yi aso ɛna mpanimfoɔ ɛde tudwa sɛ abatro no ɛnya ma so enti sɛ electoral commission mpanimfoɔ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔde ballot boxes firi baabi ba na megidi sɛ na ebi sɛ bi nam kwa so sɛ amaso nipa bi so obɛfiri baabi akɔ akɔto aba no ne nyinaa ɛna mpanimfoɔ aka na no pɛ sɛ abatro no ɛnya ama so ɛwɔ Nigeria man no emu ɛwɔ sɛ ehu reasons no anka sɛ bizɛ ne electoral commission mpanimfoɔ de ɛka ɛne sɛ logistics nanso no wotie ne ɛkɔ so wɔ man no mu a ɛya reasons foforo bi wɔ hɔ no mu nti ɛna abatwo yɛtu ahyɛ da na asɛsɛn security wise no sɛn na nneɛma esi korɔ ɛwɔ Nigeria man no emu yɛbɛhwɛ ɛno so ɛwɔ hɔ nom na yɛtumi ɛde nneɛma atoa so ama yɛhu sɛ nneɛma si kɔ na meka ɛyɛ mantam ahodoɔ nsia yɛ akyɛ sɛ nei mampani ne capitals anasɛ na henkuro nyinaa bɔde abɛtu dwa no wohwɛ Western North a ɛne na baabi ani fo su na wɔ sɛ bahase ɛna wɔ sɛ kɔhe ne abɛtɔ dwa ne sɛ hwiyo so ɛne the regional capital for Western North yɛ no ɛwɔ atɔyɛ mantam nti yɛ sɛ wɔ manfoɔ yɛ abɔ no mu ɛwɔ atɔyɛ mantam atifi do hɔ no mu no sɛ wɔ bi yɛ ba na henkuro sɛ hwiyo so ɛna akorɔ yɛba fam na yɛbɛduru ɛyɛ bono ɛne na hafo mantam so a ɛne ɛhɔ no mu so no sɛ yɛabɛnya ahafo region yɛ ɛhɔ no capital no go so ɛna mampani ɛde ɛma wɔn yɛkɔ yɛnim na yɛkɔ bono east so a tachiman ɛna mampani kyerɛ mu sɛ ɛhɔ ɛnyɛ capital na kyerɛ sɛ mmiɛnsa ɛne yɛnyɛn Ochi region so mampani twi ntontonu a ɛnura ya baabi ekosi ye ɛyɛ dambai katekra chefo sun ya wo sun ye na ha na wo sɛ ba na ha na mampani kyerɛ mu sɛ dambai ɛna ɛnkro na nura kɔna kɔhwɛ nipa ɛwɔ dambai ne moto na pin na ka na pin ɛna anigye ɛna wowom yesu obi sunu obi so sere katekra chefo de yesu ye be campaign de atia MPP amanyoko no ɛso ni nyinaa no dambai ɛna kopie ye kɔ Savannah region so a Savannah region so mpanimfo twi ntonto ye ne wo so wo ye nyinaa no mampani na nadoda nkɔ akufuado akyire mu sɛ Savannah region no baabi a wɔno agidi sɛ wɔde capital no kɔ a ɛbɛboa ama eniema nyinaa atumi akɔso ɛkyɛ sɛ basabasa yobia emma ne nano ne ɛkɔ so wɔ Salaga ɛne Salaga fo wɔnum te ye na ntumi ama kyɛ sɛ edede bia hye office yeshi office ye twaja e de ato office mu ahye ne dwere be eno sumu nsem eda hono mo e na amanti fido so ye kwa ene ne free hono mo baaye North East region na Lerigu e na mampani e de koye nti abusua so wo hwɛ sɛ ne asi akwa e ye hyase adwada enra ebedu ye no na mampani atumi awi bibia ama ne sese kɔ no eniema atumi akoso na wotwi nsema hodo ye koso ebi na mede ato wanim no na yeguso hwɛ sɛ yede ani ebɛkye mu ɛwɔ Nigeria man mu nya hwɛ ne ekoso ɛwɔ hɔ no mo na weye ekoso nyinaa no na Ghana so yesua bibie afiri mu Ghana yesua bibie afiri mu ye ne vigilante groups ya sabre yate ho commission ɛwɔ mayi mu ne ekoso wɔ ayawaso wasuwagun NDC amanyoko no mpanimfo de adi kam ye nyanente ye sɛ commission no ayate ye mpanimfo miensa ene ye wohwa a justice short ati adwam ye maame Henrietta Mensa Bonsu eka ho kane prosidom so sahene IGP kwaten champon won so ti adwam omo de ye kyese omo nyinni na omakọ ho no mo enti inform kro omo ti on baabi nipa omatwumi apie commission no anim na awotwi abusua se wutie nsam akoso security capos yi ebo mayimu brefo ya mo de mom security capos yi ebo mayimu wonum koye wo bia asem a wo ka interior ministry kyire mu so nipa no a wonum ko di se twetwasem e wa ye waso wasu agun honom no prosi adwuma no ye de ye nimu on de ne de abetudwa sa nipa no ye nimu o kyese nye aprosifo ne ye soma won nya aprosifo ne ye soma won onumunyamfo kanda pa so akọ nso ne de se wo ka ne de Brian Champon ka ne de na interior ministry ka ne de ena ye den so ena prosini a wono ena constituency a sa batwe kọ so e wo hono mo se ono no nkehye na se prosi commander ya wono ena sa adwumadie nyina hye na se eduru se ye beto aba no ye ma ono tena nkyɛn a obi ohye na se ena leadi ye e wo hono mo won so ne de o de kɔto dwa ewo commission no asetena emu prosi commander kyire mo se wa bere duru hono mo no ene ye to ne nkrase o pani tena nkyɛn ye frɛ bo bi ohye na se e ma no ekogina mu e de ma no eti abusua yensan enkoye ni mu na osofo opuni frempon wonu se na no meti ye na kyese osofo postu ya ye de asoma no ya soma osofo se wonko o man foforo so osofo opuni ti Ghana ha se na dwuma ya wo ye abatwo no wo ka bi ena nke ko ni se ya na nke ko ni se ya na mpanimfo asoma no wo de saa wo wura wiwe na ya no yemi so osofo na hin ni asoma no na ne ekoso e wo Nigeria manum no na ni de akire ebisa na de osofo ya de be ka batwo ho osofo
bo atwa
Christ asumwie nka ho
enka so am say birthday no jama ye dro so
nyame ya Adom asofo kina kren na birthday no ye kina ya mene wudi abom
o ma nkwane ahoden a betumi akoso asum na me no man
amen so for me dase papa kina birthday no wo ka ho nti me hwe wanim
ye nyina ye ni wo
wo so for no pay ye frɛ wo a enye bone ene ye be na wotwe mienu nie ye no kasa wo ha sei me wo ho no mo a na me hu osofo text message say ya soma me akua say me call ye ne ye de asodie bi ato me so me tu kwan osofo hin na akoro ye na de na asi wo ho no mo
Yo, ma me na mo ase Adom FM. Ne yanchia Adom atiefo ne adwumayefo nyina. All Africa Conference of Church and sorry akese e wa Africa memu nyina na wayi nipa 8. Nipa nwotwe. Na yenuanom a wo DR Congo, the Democratic Republic of Congo. Womu nya independence 1960. Womu to abani bikura ada. Nti na no December ina womu to aba edikan. Womu omampani no aida se sojafo bi na bepam no ana obi bekumbi ni ana wo so kabira ni se ni papa yekum no. Nipa wo no ho obi bolutu kum no na ede ne ba ti so. No so fi 2002 no wa konkon so saa o ma kwan se ebeto aba. December ya bronya ya no ma kwan na omoto aba no so wiye e kire nsem bebre in fact be kura be se Ghana have 4 regions obi antimi nko kura na ba no ma to bi e wo ho ye nipa nwotwe no waso an se yenko boa ansori ne nkramufu e wo ho no na asumdwe enkabomu ehu adwuma embra enti ba ko fi Sierra Leone obi fi Kenya obi fi Benin obi fi South Sudan, Burundi, Congo, Uganda, and Missy Ghana. Now, you can accompany Prime Minister of Asia, Ura Martin Fayulu, no yet, opposition leader, no challenge, no command on yem. In fact, or Canadian said, Bushumin said, somewhere in Trabanum, army and Tofo Fracrates, and you'll be an enemy, a bestie. Wasini ayoma ye nyina Chicadia ye de online no no try fair president no ne Kukurantumi nti United Nations country representative owo Congo Leila ye omu nyina asori mpanifo nkramofo mpanifo civil society groups ahodo na ye fiase eno omo hyehyɛ sɛ wɔn nyɛ nneɛma di nipa no ɛbɛka wɔn abom ti sɛ Ghana ha yɛ itimi Thanksgiving service wɔn nyɛ asɔre a nkramofo betumi abɛbi opposition nia wawini Kabila no obia befa na yenye ne kakra hwese onua ebetumi enya ne nua na no na ukohwe se ne edunum fa awraho sabia yekoyehyiehie amrantie ne maba wo ho na awura baako oka kire se muhu nipa tonto ye heka Vodafone ho ye Vodacom na wo credit card no Vodacom card no tonto kwala ye tonto no mo wie university o mo wo university degree the omo betumi ni certificate na ye ne se omo gina kwa ho tonton credit card enia eno ne niam a haye ye pese obi be ma ye mrantie enya adwuma ye ba ye mpanifo no nso so de se ne ya ne se obi a mobilize troop mo ya ebe bom na ekwa akopatuo ye na ebe ma mo jagu ye mpene enia de ntu hu se mrantie ne mabawa no enya bibi oba ye mpanifo na di omo anim no ebi omohwe ne ye different kura na ukohwe Congo die na ode betoto ye die hu a ye die nke akwachiri kura nso na nsane empanifo no bi ye no asese ye ne ekọ Congo kosua de wo ifa omo na ese ba ha besua de wo na nso so ne ye yinum ne ade ya na nse ye di hu nkomo ha yi die na kire sa ase ye to ye ne ma papa ni nyina tuagu eno na wuhu ni sade a ya na eboachoa ya na ahome
enti no sabre wa hwew sempanimfo toto wo mani pa ma hodo ebetumi aboa ma somwi akoso ewodi akongo manumu no ye ba wo oman Ghana mu ye se osofo pani bra na monkobo afisa wo man no awo mu no enka mo no sane ye wo kenke no aye nhweso enti bu betumi aka bibi ye nhweso ma dia Congo na wo kan se sabre ye papa no ye tuagu na yakofa ne enye no
no in fact na say asade and on said nay imrante ne maba mo ne me YouTube ni adinti bibia anya secret o ba bia ne me ekoso no obi ahu emi se bi no fra me fi Kenya na den na ekoso o Ghana na we wo na obi afro na den na ekoso o Ghana ya yanka ya yankofo bia nipa bi die twampoa but ya to about sabi Rollins papa Rollins time no kure fi soja mu ba no sabi na yam hihye no ho pa ensu nyame hu ye mobo ye ne kakakra ye na ya to so ya be stay ne die kan ye to abakra box no na wunhu ke say ya ma box obi ehun biometric ne ma ye emu da ho fan enti den kwa na esasa chinchina eyi party eyemienu na na ha adwene ade ne de NDC ne MPP fo CPP fo nka ho na nakura Dragiman Rollins ekua donko party wo mu bia ni ahonya ahomete ade ne de ye NDC ne MPP na wonte wo mase wo mu opposition a wo mu sunko wo mu ba ban mu a wo mu sunko wo na no ya MPP wa ban mu wo mu kam sa na NDC fo boye yo no mu praye yo no mu kuye yo asofo ya kasa enti obi ehwe kwanse mu susu mu ba yi ne de sa nyema ede ye wa anya ode no mo nto aso na wo wa ban mu na wo sa akọboaboa eyi militia fo ya no a na de no opposition ono nso nye dey Asempa ku ya ka asofo ka otumfo adawroma wakebi empenifo ka media fo mu nyina enti baabi adro ne de ye hia pani bi a obetwa de ne ti se media me mfa mani hwe ma benefit MPP ni NDC they have all benefited from this violence.
Osofo yen hwe ne akoso Nigeria manumu enne so eja ese de bibi manyina wo hwe ho no mu bie Nigeria bato no mpanimfo twintonto nanka anopai enne wosenka sabre nkomahase a wo moto dendenden nanso yetie owura abetahin ya chese kode okuo no ofri Ghana ena akọ Nigeria mo hwe aboa ma enema akoso wose anadwi chese anopai po no miensa 3 o'clock and electoral commissioner won Nigeria mpanimfo anadwo amanfo ada no ye bi so kura siesie wo ho akoto aba no e na omukoye press conference e de etudwa Nigeria omu TV kese so se Nigeria aba no ye tu ahyeda ye nyanto ne nne no ade achin no na nyame ya Adom na wotwe besimu busumi ne de toso aduonu emiensa reasons omude ba ne san omuse logistics akade e wose wode boa batro no se wo hunsuo nso wadwade nanso nure ya so Nigeria manumu Kaduna State enti ya yenya nipa duosiensia de kyen anopa no na nipa 66 ene yakun won a bodies no gu abonten panimfo ne se nye reason no reason ye logistics ne ekoso Nigeria yi na wo de ba fam ye ha de ne yenye ye ho
union Nigeria asem de ka Ghana entase ye ka ne sabi so obonten su ni asem ye ne wo mo no countries West Africa ha ye can't brofo no also French for na hihye ye ne wo ntem wo se wo fan baby Cameroon brofo ne French afrafra now ba Benin ni Togo they are French anti se wo no bibi si Nigeria no mu ntumi no mo pe baby afade a baby ye mo pa ne Ghana in fact na ye nso ye tie Ghana ha so say ye so French for Ivory Coast wa ha Burkina Faso ha Togo ha ti wo pe baby akwa betimi no nu akasanya brofo aka BBC pe o ma wani so a baby e ben kakra ene Nigeria nti asem si Nigeria ese shom senia esi Ghana ha pepepepepe nya hoho bontinsu ni asem kowe obi wo Nigeria na obata na ontumi no pe baby adwane akwa efi ochana no pa sabi oni esika wa ne nsem odwane yeye no fadodo no abedwane aba wo student ye hake university university so baby a Legon all nation ekoforidia Nigeria students e wo baby a Ghana say a to bata bia ontumi obedwane aba nti we need the West Africa Union nimpanifo no nyina United Nations enye we de yekua enya sofosam esese obia obetumi any minim say Nigerians so religious leaders no aka won ho bomba they will need Africa Union, United Nations, they will need one more donor agencies, in fact, business communities, so be an investment on Nigeria. As so be a content because Omuyoni say as a gra Tefaswa, Nigeria there, 170 year dear, and so Omudi any dear, and yet ain't it near Bekan penny dear, ya obet me up one Nigeria to say dear. Because one there a chiaka crevia, younger, your mobile tree and Castia Paba, Ghana. But so we are mobile now. I'm what we wouldn't tell be the deep penny, Adom, who the dear so penny. And today, as a nipper who prepare high giants and rabbi penny. Honor one nothing. Omwe can the brains, look I know when he be bit. Inti, they be one year no one more year. As I said, Nippon.
na so for wa hwe Nigeria de nipa duoson ne akire ene obi a so obedi mampani ni bi 70 and over obi a pese odi president ni bi o e wo Nigeria akonwa ba akono
oh nia anka sabi obisi bi pe bi adidi ata konwa to obi apre kwan omo fa so adi no ene ha adwene they mobilize militants say kura vigilante ne jama eji se ye jani e pebble for eye oh one more yes omo ye like war sani na mama Professor Henrietta war nipa ebo abo nipa no de omo kokko na omo se wo ye nketenkete a na enyini ni ha ne sa vigilante ni militias omo mobilize no say obia be kam ya momo no munko shini we munko plano no stadia na ba Africa ya batum aba Ghana ni Nigeria abatum in fact wo Congo wo Kenya abatum eno na enye se ye beto aba se Ghana ha say yetimi ko satellite to aba police question to me tra ko nwa udi na ohwen eduru so akoto de okofi akodi uja well but say we ya no mo ayeye ni party to ni we be fa ballot box ni ma me fa ballot box wo kwotete wo poster no we akwotete akonsinse mu wo kai ya na ye ni wufie ni abebiri mu no na nye na hanu na ese Nigeria kure nhunu ya Ghana mo me hu ya na mo obi mesua mo fa ye ntwampoa Ghana must give other African countries best practices when it comes to election. We must offer best practices. Can Nigeria dey say obi di ntwampoa say hey mo te ho mo nko Ghana nko he to aba catch for ni maba for we kotune de okofie ada na mo nko ade se se o mo ba ha dukadaya enti ehon na yen penifo na de ne de we boss say I see extra na na you go to do for president na Kufuado any president former president Mahama down ni penifo mi enu so mo be stinkunya pressure o mo betimi akasa de be we need roadmap and so mo do ma no keka ye be jai kura. We need roadmap for the disbandment of this vigilante. But a baby sabre no majority. There can be a small meeting. Yeura nanadu ni yeura. President Mahama ni peace council ni soldier for general CDS chief of defense. But translate themselves. Obi anko but this man de ni die enko jani die. Yema yenho besa bosome miensa.
Also for sabo loss ya wo kan wo ho asemi no the last time I know kasa wo ha say ben na watwe mienu ni wo kan ye esi sudua say IGP waka bi wo mechu ase wo mo hwe na adwuma esese wo mo ye no mo nye ene IGP kopie commissioner wo kan ho asemi animu mpanimfo ede ye ode atodwa no kura de onko commissioner anim na watwe sentwefo nhia mu na prosifo ye na sem ode atodwa ne say vigilante groups or say warlords no political parties no mum na te o monko no mkogu o made e visa se wo bi ni bone a wo mo aprosifo no ntumi nkoche no mo do mo de ne se nipa na de na wo ye na te se tia mra na o mache no na emom so obi ate ne kuo ye nkogu ne de enya aprosifo adwuma enti o mo ankasa nko no mo nkogu no IGP position on sa warlords yi wo so for
enya adwuma on say edurumre bia ye say ebia yama amnesty say bia obi a wo etuo e won ho a online say ye ana bia wa ye bibia wa mfamra kwan so anye ne ye ma wo ebre bi fa efi sabre ko si sabre no ni awo ya wo enye ni jai ana say emra kwan ye say wo so a wa mfa so no fa so mimo mi hwehwe say IGP na say eye illegal ne de Woma company for enyina obi aka say vigilante de na illegal enimrem enye papa but me give say there must be a roadmap say IGP no nim penifo bi be a soldier penny or Ghana hands so any be a peace council any be a political parties and I you the show mu nyina enye yi tie be a MPP chairman any NDC chairman any meeting kukuwabi na womunye roadmap. We need a roadmap as we work towards disbanding vigilante and militia groups in Ghana. And the idea no can let him on to me on to obey me at NDC for no MPP for or two or order from above obey Jawom one more match when we won't back cry, ya prosecute no about Minister of State, our function as you come say. Yes, yeah, Copeno, any day, police in it, a better than one action. A you Yomoko King is saying, you also see a national security, I could say. And some I had to see a question to state property, Yaya Modern. And we go far away back, metro, there. Yeah, I will bet me a question and this phone. MPP for the Omocho Momukro Mombe Jow. Meaning, your mission as an MPP, NBC, any soldier pennyphobia, any police in pennyphobia, any be an anonymous him for crap, penny be ferrophobia. There must be a small committee there. When we in another committee, there must be commitment, and that will give us a roadmap. One more commit, one more do a whole shame say, NBC MPP, plan I a February ending. Eko ye man hobo sumemi ensa obi akọ liste wo vigilante group e dia na ade wo mo ye na tabi bi foforo ema wo mo enye ka tira mo se adwuma mi business no agu eni hobi na ye mehia na ye report na no achi na se MPP for ba mo se yakosta ye de na NDC for se yakosta ye de bi no aka baako MPP for se ye nso de na aka fa e de end na IGP ne se enhiamu emi ye roadmap aye no obi a we ni so no ene ene ye no watra say ya betchemo wo machi wo ma ye ni obi asem enkosi hwe they say kromo ya ma wo party organizers no ya very powerful police for ni ade no kwasuro da wo youth organizers ni national organizers no kwa no wo so wo police ni kwa chi obi a obesu because here no wadwuma e be. So we must rather have a plan, a road map towards the effort to disband vigilante group. And ka IGP no katata ka no kuma beto me yem say mumie nhia na yenye nhyehyɛ a yedi gu ade no na onfam panifo bi kan ho small committee bi a ferry for soldier for wom police for wom peace council wom idi ananan mo ahemfo bi wom pani bi ode ne betra mu bia na wo mo nhyehyɛ nto ho bedu saa brei na saa de ne bi ni NDC mu MPP mo bi ansan na o ma sign na aseya efi ho kono de the MPP ni NDC o ta ka me fa IGP so fa no me kofa na wo kan ne sanya ye tin ne press conference ni mu dia ni ayehu ni nti me gidie enya kase me so for de enso me ni gidie kase pa wa so IGP kan no
na asofo mo demonstration no a wo se ye nwunu a mo beyo no mugusu a still no a mo boabo mo se mo beye enura se ye ja wo be kan ye na bi asem mo kan se osofo opuni ye se de na adwuma sofo no wode ato ho no mo no wo ye politics
ke yenye politics wo fie na se sabio ye se eja dere unua bi fie na woye me de emfa me ho a da ebe dere bi aba ofie wa hwe onya kamafo ebisi wo Rwanda de esi wo Ghana he esi wo Rwanda no na agura eduru bra entokwa ne ba omukum nipa no na nipa no gane omukọ asore dem na omusa kokunkum nipa wa asore dem ho nti Rwanda say baby o ha nipa ti ni nipa no mpe ye ja omo ati se shelf a ye di books hyehyɛ so no mo je nipa no mpese ye nhwɛ ni nipa ye ewo ebi o ha wa saw them Liberia de ne start ye ne sa nipa ni gane a omo gane kwa saw them ne bi okura na omo ekuratu na san wura saw them ho akokunkum nipa wo ho wo he da bi ensem ni bi asisi bia to ne eden a ya saw them ni nipa no edwane eko enti na esese asofo no ye dwene konkan se ade na omo ye no egin nsem a na nipa ni pe baabi adwane akwa efisrem kosi empoano eye mox aso dem ni nkramudem ene nipa ni bedwane akọ nia onti ase no no hu ni saa no ena ebeye se obi ye politics me mfa politics nyahwe me yosofo I will live and die as a pastor me nge djuma fufuro bia mabrabo mu nka adwuma nyame afreme no but wonim sania ade na omo ye ne ekowie hwe Boko Haram Haram or Nigeria and statista Boko Haram, a statista Nyamuye, a statista militia, I say, Nipa be a woman who are almost bought me home by. I say, a ye and Cremoni, I saw for almost boy a home by. And the year kakra. They say, baby, Nigeria saw and so back a Boko Haram. But a shafiano, and shafi who say, a shafi send a DD agro ever hand. And it is a winning a Yemani be. Sabio, Mitra, invest researcher, may it end ye bet me, the abua or mine and your politics. Who see idea and Indiana, then in your Uber to me the abua, and it's idea when we were winning dear, into make a can make heavy. And yet, me, this in your pipini, me, will be in Jamaica, one. But so what should you think of work close on one? The be a higher, so to make Drake on cancer, a dear way. Twice near a day back could do any. I think so. See a work, a sorry big day, say, Quanabia, a sorry near so forth. Not a so for me now. Said the be cost of men or man for no pay, or man for no stroke. Now, so I thought for idea, if you are winning, sorry, when I'm only probably winning, sorry, when I'm a walk car, winning, sorry, when I'm bumping my safety. But any panel, I am, she be now sorry, no say, I am fat. Or my auntie share one. The catcher was to a son in the back of who knew for so. Because a new panel should say, I dear higher no, so for what and how would you when you car, when you fear, you would be cry, be a mobile to me, be a mobile to me a quite giant. But you need baby call. Ain't you a 2 year dear near man a 30 on my mano? Omunya come for. In fact, as a soft for the brave man on this crowd Ghana. Near Nucleus or South Africa, apartheid. Desmond Tutu ni asophobia at the boy in America. Martin Luther King, civil rights at the Yabuamua. Ghana has a senior sorry bua, basa indiscipline, where the car traffic light to move or here, a Juma Marante and Mamba and Yanya, as of for Yaki Demusa and Okrano. Yam. Church must be more relevant in Ghana. Can you follow school new hospital, many Yamasa, no Yama or Mino? Two sorry and himself sorry to many Jumaye, many baby aqua school. Sorry, sorry, but Mumaji, insurance or my anointing, Mumaji could do Mumma Manchester, no Sanmoa, and Yamwa or Mino. And yet politics, not demonstration. Yes, it's 3 months a cheap. The Casatra pulpit, no more far. We'll talk to them through the rooftop.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's also for. Yeah, that's it. Papa.
A rather come home. Yeah, the baby.
Yeah, that's it.
No, a tear for you.
Oh, shall so. Everything, also for doctor Opuni Frempon, any no attraction and commono. What year was say, just or Munsha Simpo, Moamoso or your politics, no, or near NDC or near MPP or no one Casana Numa 7, and what they at Trujano. Name or mining tea. Enti no asofo ne yebekwoso ne ani bia twetwen komo ne arese ne omuye wo mo ye politics anase wo numu ye den ne akoso wo man Ghana mu vigilante groups no ne amanfo ahya ase ye kana asofo no mo ye politics no wo mu enu ndi ombeti atena anase sen abusua yesan kwa ahoma ne so bio na ye ne bishop Samuel Noi Mensa, presiding bishop Emma Full Gospel Church International, no also SIE executive member Ma Pentecostal and Charismatic Church. Also for Christ Asumi Nkau.
Yeah, that was Asumi Nkamu na.
Yo, yeah, that's a wadi so anope any between komo. Nana eja ye boa ye ho se sofo puni frempo aka asem bia no pay se sa sofo ne motena ho na mo ye nhwe han a ne course wo wonder manum asoy dem nyina ne yeshutu no anhweja bi beka munti na ye de mu wuram ye nhwe o na Nigeria manum nanka wo se wonu mu to aba na anopai enti ya ye nya ne sa anopai no miensa panifo o ye nya nto logistics e wo se ye nya ne de to aba no ye ho nso ye ho so eti ye tu e de ahyeda ne ekoso Nigeria na ye nkoye nim sofo.
Yes, well, I think it's a Nigeria situation, you know. And also, bet me I swim amaye. Essence, a friend said, as I said, quite be our mobile faswa, a bema asunge abanono. And no, almost pese, almost so, but bet me about to say, cancellation of the election, see, and also bet me I had drink a cry. Essence, Nkropua Bwabwa, you know, into once our more postponed minty, but then more canon, so more postponed. to say omutimi eman microphone as a nienti potan omo a cancel omo reschedule this particular elections because of logistical issues na there. It's a lessons for all of us, but I think it's a Ghana no nyame Adom said electoral processes it's quite solid a little bit compared to a lot of the African countries. We haven't experienced these processes of cancellation of elections or rescheduling of our elections. As I said, our processes I think constitutionally we have more, or they have more of independent electoral processes than most of the African countries. I think Ghana has a lot of confidence in all these processes by and large. With all the experiences from 1992 elections, I think we have stood the test of time, that we have the capacity. We manage our elections. I think we've done a lot of good work over the years.
And yade ba o my Ghana mu no sani e wo ka Nigeria de enye ne edikan ni a wo beto aba elections, national elections or matu ahye de bi asida eti Ghana ne ehu bi e wo de o motaye muni ku a mode atwe yanimu se bosome miensa chiri mo hwe sensa kira ye bi be koso vigilante groups yes na de war laws wonum ye war laws ye anyi o man free ho no mo a mo be ye demonstration se ku no mo na mudi animu.
Yes. Ampa.
Na ne mu be ye no ena Ghana fo bebre asem o mo kan se na fe di asofo no be politics ya na se o madam ho na politics no be vize nka we di emfa mo ho wosofo.
Oh no, we fire who say ya na sanya be bijaya na internal war, ba civil war, banankropo efatu na diade, the side of NPP, the side of NDC, no munyina decided they are going to fight each other. We are the people who are going to suffer at the end of the day. Our children are going to suffer. Your man no be suffer. Your sisters will be biara. Ebe affect ye juma. Ebe affect ye bibia ye Ghana. Economic activities will come to a halt. Ebe affect our educational system. There is no sector of our economy says Sanemi will not affect us. Inti say ye kuma. At the end of the day, we will be quiet to our own destruction. Inti when ye politics, when ye about nation. Okay, Nana Akufo-Addo can say we should become citizens and not spectators. This is all about becoming patriotic and nationalistic. Into way partisan politics at all. It is about the state of our country. It is about the peace of our nation. It's about our citizens and not about our politicians. Into Ayampa say this caution is to all political parties, whether PPP, CPP, NDC, NPP, any form of vigilante groups they have. If they are not going to disband it and stop it, first of all, we will go out there and yebeye demonstrations to show our displeasure. Now, either they disband or we disown them. That is the message we are sending to them.
Hey, and
groups.
Omungu no ana say mo sa political parties no mo ye campaign atia won niema mienu ni.
Yes, moon disbanding vigilante groups or we disown you. We will tell our people not to vote you into office. It's a clear message. Whether NPP and the message is to all the political parties that have vigilante groups. Well, into disown it, dismantle vigilante groups, or we disown you.
Na also for a message yi amudi kwe no. Say I to say wo ba na efrim kwada brema kwada ne ya ade wonka kwada ne ya ade wonka wanyini no asensen say bare enti no wo ye ne hwi sa bre ye nye edua no wanyini eposim enti wo twakora wo bre se wotie ne mpanimfo yi kan no a kwanya wo onum befa so a sa dis yendisimbandi on be ye no akoye bibie wo hono mo ubisa na omuso obisa say na se mo pese enye omodan IGP press conference omo here this week no minim some kan say media move follow omo a the messages iba with regards to say war loss no move follow IGP de ya war kan say wo mo no nyom asade so omkogukuo no wo mo de say nipa ni di bone no ofom amra ne se kona kwache no na emom so obi ate ne kuo de wonko gukuo no eno nya omadwumanti the political parties ni should go no monko gu sa kuo ya ye ka ho asemi political parties ni so bi se omuso we ye internal security ombo ye ho ban enti kwan ye befa so agu no na ya asem sofo nti mo ka ni se ye no mo so omunye den no magu no.
I think first of all, we will seek some advice from these security forces and heads of the security departments in our country. And then number two, we will organize a meeting with all the political parties because we are major stakeholders. You see, GPCC has almost between 8 to 10 million followers in this country. We can decide who becomes the president of Ghana. And there is nothing the political parties can do. Numbers now, Adom, we have the following, So we will organize some inter-party discussions and then let them know, say, until we should start to dismantle these political vigilante groupings. So, we will all decide to follow a path of the dismantling processes. We will sign some memorandum of understanding and commitment to the processes and some timelines. It's all because of Obi and Trustee Omohu. That is why they get into all these things. This is the process I believe we can follow. If we follow that process, now we realize that then the next stage is now to let them know, you do it or we disown you. Okay? But we must engage them and have their commitment, said they are going to dismantle. After a time, President Rollins, office, now or this 64th, regiment or this 64th battalion group. I think President Kufuor Bas, he was able to find a way to integrate them into the military in a nice way to nullify or probably to put an end into this 64th battalion group now. Almost to manage this group now. I think there is always a way we can find a solution to that. To engage them to become vigilante groups would be the same processes to find a way to be able to give them something to do and a meaningful job to do.
Nesha say ni nyina beba so ansa na demonstration na koso na say demonstration na chi and as meetings we be koso no.
Well, near the canon, you be more official letter. According to our executive council discussions, you be more official letter and inform them that these are the things that we think they should start working on it. After the letter, then maybe we may probably have a time of meeting with them. Then, before we will move on to the next stage of the demonstration, if they don't follow whatever we will all agree to. But they should have it's a clear call to them. You dismantle political vigilante groups, or we will disown you. That is a clear-cut message.
Tiawa, also for me, and now I say, send ye Odiabana Bishop Nyamisha.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Abusia Bishop Samuel Noimensa, 1 year presiding bishop of Full Gospel Church International and executive member Ma Pentecostal and Charismatic Church emu ene no atwetwen enkomo no mungu no anasa ebepomo se ye nyina ye nim so obi ka se mapo na che se wo hwe won fa hwe nya hwe won fa hwe nya hwe omompo keke osofo puni se che se campaign kro mbesa ye de tiawo ama walusu se poto na busia happy birthday enko emma Owuraye Esther Akosia Lamte proprietress ya wo Future Glory International School emu efri wunua ba yaisa ne chesa Asempa FM na yaisa we yaisa chese wonam wonhia nua wote sebo enti nei Nyankopon adomo na wudi wa woda yenka nkyere wo se Nyankopon ma wo kwatenten wo ma wo ahobrase wonnom no wonka wo ho na wo bibia wo do nsa besom bia no enye ye na odon so de unim papa se wo pe wasem odo se onua Owuraye Esther Akosia Lamte proprietress ye wo Future Glory International School mu na sa message eko edema no nso aba pa ho sima aduonum eba ko 751 on Asempa 94.7 FM and champani besi adwe bebie huma no so atum amatie for de madwenkyere abana enne abato no won say ye de ye wo mu ya na nagi yade no so abepi so sabe ya make say omayi mpanimfo bebre na wo nagi ye o enye owura abeta hin yo wo kode yonko owura makmanu MPP amanyoko no former national chairman onu say Nigeria manumo honomo enam panimfo bebre the other political parties and MC fo bebre wo honomo ni nyina omokwa omode omani hu ne ekoso wo honomo etiki ekwa ni e ba ni ehwe bibi wom ne de aba ne de abeboen na kyese o how bia ni yeso eno an ehwe animu se enkoso emiye nyina ye ho enweyen ewo yabato ye beto ani akiri nsensem a ye bompa ye se nyame abodom na o ma niema koso asumyem no ko ma niema enkoso asumyem saa emfa emayen yemfoma adwenkyere ni bi na ye ntoa adwumadie so na nakwabna adwenkyere ni nakwabna edifi tema na eba wose ebi wa yemfa seda emma twedi ampon se wadom na Ghana mampani na adodankwa akufuado wamani nyansa wode eboa ema oman no etumi ekoso na hwe se ye mampani dada wonamu a wo penti Ghana black saa wo penti Ghana black ne ekoso wo man mu nyina wo so ne on de wo hu a eye ne wode tutudwa no a Nyankopon kan ho no wonko na animu samo adofo de ye a wode abani wo se ye de Nyankopon ase pa se ye nya nsachira ewo oman no mu na yenya nipa so bi te se Dr. Puni Frempon sofo Puni Frempon eni nipa bi a wanya ne ya bode kasa ema ne ema tumi kwaso ebi se wani ededa da Kristofo oku ano sa no etoda na chese nipa na asem no da ho no obeka kura na osuro osofo Puni Frempon Nyankopon ka no ho se wanya ne a wonu de kasa aboa ma oman no atumi akoso ma wonsuro mu nsuro obi obekasa tia no bia adwuma no an wo ye no Glover Mafo edwe firi asamankase na eba Glover Mafo se mewira ho na chese ye me fere kura se NDC amanyoko no nipa wadi amanyoko nanim no wabedi oman no so anim ebi te se mampani dada otumi enam no se wo koyi video no ankoye chewa video ankoye hwe se wo se ne ekoso ayewaso wasu wogun en wo gina so dia pam investors ye wo so oba e wo my Ghana mu standard no se ye kase obi ye mampani dada standard wo mudru wo mayi mu no eno na mampani dada wo lo wa no ba for musa no Glover Mafo de no se Obama edway efri pokwase na eba wo se me de efri de dikan na me hu se ye mampani dada John Dramani Mahama bana no kasa ene se ni osi yo na niema bi a chese etoda na chese emfefa akwan mu niema wonwitwa akwan mu niema chiachia kakra ebom eno ane ne ne waya watumi akukuru oman Ghana nyina se wo kosintuma gufin e de akire wiase nyina na no eyenya atwemsuban ede na dipefe se wo man no wonwono man no ho na ompa Ghana fo nyina echewo fa wazadi we efri amasaman na eba wose mampani na adodankwa akufuado Ghana fo nyina bona baso se bo hye ya bo hye no wo nkakran wo di so ya chese sabre manchema huduo nsia atumi aba niema agbo ye nyina no akukuduro ene wode ye na misumi gidie ne se mampani ne bo hye no obedi ni nyina so enchia enkoma kwasi afrifa mensa yi owo amasaman ene beautiful ladies stanch de brofo na ade abetwa to ho no wo pemu wo yumi se Obama ne de no wode abandon pano ede we free malam na eben wo se akwie se beba se mampani dada ho mampani dada ebetumi akoyi video na video no so kura wo yiye no bebre wo mu a chese tro ne na wo yi a wo se eye owura agyako na yi ase na vigilante groups warlords no wo nu mu egbomu wotwe mumume wo ho no enya no kure wunim sa video no eya prosifo bi a no wo nu mu nua prosi ni bi awuo no chese wo two wodwom ho ena wo de kan video no mu okoyi na nka wo de wukogu oman no anim ase kura fa de eye no kure wukọ ye so a ne wakoka nyina no kure bi anim we ya eya asem nchi ankoma na ekomia tina gift mensa ena Brian Champon Dom Pino ne de no asanto abakwa me so de ye ode aben Medina na nakrom ena wode efrose ebi wan hwe wunim mesre ye mampani dada so oyi video pa se ne ye kan se on de bibia wo pe mu adanse video no ode a kire ne de a ene esre no ada enema bi asi wo mayi mu ye hu video e wo so ode eba ene chese niema asanto aba abobo so de ebebre fake checks wonyi hu video nkonfem wonyi hu video de ebebre ene wode aba abusuan yeguso e wa Asempa 94.7 FM Kukurantumi dwumadie ene yeguso ayede ebrewe na adwenkyere ne so de ene akuabo ahyewa yi Adom on Facebook ubetumi de adwenkyere ni bi afa honomo sada so ena yesumi live wo Facebook ya Asempa 94.7 FM yesumi live wo Facebook ubetumi ahweye na wadwenkyere no de bi ato Asempa 94.7 FM Kimfaruka adwenkyere enie wo se akwie yamma mpani a wote so na nado danko akufuado woni EC chair ene wonum nyina de akotwedwa se elections ayeyeye we kra the election ye by election ye call so aye waso wesogun no eye free and fair na say ye free and fair na mampani da de ko yi hu video e de a kire diplomats a enso mo si ye kokko apai na mu kokko pai sen ni we call so no eno a hu video ene ye mampani da da wakoyi no enti so mo se abato no na ye free and fair na boni bia nkoso de a ene hu video a na mampani da de yi no mo nko ma no ntum na omunya dede no ma oto mo bekasa kora mampani da da ma omummo na baso seche se waboa ama ade papa no omo se ye koso no wo yi kire wiase nyina Kimfaruka de we efri eye kasoa na eba na asanto aba kwa me se yesre wada opemu wayomi ene eye ne papa ayi ewo Medina enti mane ya akoma ye opemu woyomi baby awo bia ne ye nyina ye ma ya akosi ayi no ekoso ewo Medina ena nempanimfo eye ayi no abuja ye ntoa so na ye nkwayenim Asempa 94.7 FM so ena waso go awutie ye mie nhoma no entumu na ye nkwayenim 0302216545 and 0302216546. Yamfa frefo di kan. Hello.
No.
Minu ya udini baby afrefe.
Ya from Babangida.
Yo, Babangida to asoma ye ne.
Minu ya no pai.
Adom to aso.
Yo, anopai je manya wa fide zie. Manya fa entie kasie emma Canada damwa. Ena kofinti ono Director General ewo GRA ena Mr. Kesel Alfred ono so commissioner omunyina GRA ewo Greater Accra. We can't tell o mampeni won bomo mo abaso because omu ye adwuma pa ebo o man no. Menu aba me koma asem so anopa ya me chia o mampeni His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia any MPP mpanyinfo nyina. Asema me kano any sabi ya pastor au ye ni interview sisia asema obekaye no nukwanya menimenia obia no a sabi wo vigilante groups a wo ba ya wo hacking obia no a any de nemo wono ankasa pastor no ti omanwi emra NDC wo power uka se wo mu di vigilante eko surround EC office adia omudie Ghanaians yankopon kwa nani menya me kwama asem so a tenancy by election uje kinkan by election sa ekoye ama anika di so afaka afa nipa so ni na passes wo mu ho enti se mimi timifie na sabi obi ho no ma de bia obeha me a mimi mboa me ho
ti no justify say mo nchichi tibi. Hello. We free so. Hello, mini a udin ni baby a free.
Akuya, ni pacho me dey the efo.
Efo
My kuyi.
Trust my efo.
No pai. Ni pacho ho na eba studio.
Empanifo ba. Ya pra de se waba.
Yo, ye chiam. Na ka kire Francois ase, tabi na odiba no. Yes, sire eya mo makwaku why? Hanu pa kwa kuba nwa ya Kaduna hanu
taso my food taso
kwa kuba ni pera se wo propaganda ma kuya ya be sire se sofufu na omo so mo ye demonstration ni pese obia beba mi madwi na machire no beba be kase sofo no so adomo ye politics omo so mo ye Ghanaians and they have their right say bibi balance sofo kasa omo so no e Ghana ni and media me hu ni say bibi how mo no mo fu so mo ntiasia they have their right so make demonstration na akua I said na abase say no your former president mama ni hu aye me nwa papa na ewi ase na ye tena sini o say odan osi oye ni papa dan onim se onun kasa no aye ni tu say former president your mama so onim se ogu Ghana ni ogu Nana Akufo-Addo ni asia onim se Ghana no agu no fi ni because ukofa we koyi ma diplomat na ka bi nim se anumano no mutuko anumano no mutuko Burkina no na ka se oyi ya no nsu na owi a oyi dida ni sada bia no wako bia awa apena sika nyina ahyi ni esenka president mama oyi kire penifunu no mutrati wow ye tnasi wo Ghana ha nyema boni and this football ponti beyi na we dey say we cancel fa drone boni nine sa di na eba no drone non president mama onu kasa tukosu no to Ghana nyina fa kire mo enu mo na ya hwe Ghana na ye tnasi Ghana ya so afuensa amangu boni ani sika mo abedi every safi Accra call Brazil ko di sika ni na want me kan with them anche diplomat ni why wadin so be gu na Akufo-Addo ni ase Ghana for ye nim di akoso ye nim enye free education na atnasi ma Ghana ane Ghana ye nyina ye hoto ye no enu na ye di hu enti the message Ghana for say mo mu ni ase ndaw NDC fo de o ye madwin say se no mo ba no ndada ni aturu no mo betwa ma Ghana.
Hello.
Era say
hello.
Good morning, Mini Oche.
Apom today.
Apom ye. Oche, to asoma yen.
Yo. Aguna inkumu chichi afawai.
Mejo
boss deputy MPP deputy communication director. Ya pre kon hobia. Ba cho so ho.
Ya pre kon ba nra nti ene ya pre kuni ha.
Okay. Odi bebi obia ne ya me nhira no, ya me enka no. Ena obibi obibia no bichia no nde anapawe. Ma anepe net this na ye Gumwa Central Honorable Nana Eya ne birthday nti Mr. Yakopon Ishira edema Honorable Nana Eya na minchia yen general secretary ba kope Mr. John Buedu and national organizer Mr. Samioku and oye ne papa no of ne yisu okekos nti nyame o mana rechiche nyame nhia no and Honorable maybe se wakumsin ma mesre asofo no me de na me sheda me nu ni probi ne nyame ni dwuma na yeye na heaven so no wonde ye ka ho enye se eniso de wa ko mem no ka no wode ko heaven enti me ka kire asofo no ebi wo ho no ma nka mo ye nipa bi a mo hye nipa ntima mo pata entokwa na mom no bi wo ho no ma wode ne ba so on pata entokwa na o sojegum o pata entokwa na o pata no kokonsa enti mimi hu se papa opuni former way me sem no akeka hu se akwete se opatan kwa no kokonsem kwede ho ana ma na ya kan nti papa no mese so opata fopa de nyame ne dwuma wonye ne sa
abusan kwa yanim hello
bini aba
aja
mache
mejo suminia udin ofaya
bini aba
boko de
yame Adom
na campaign ko sen
hey next week by this time minia na overtina insencheniasi insencheni ACF suru ho isanse honorable babe order number 1 na delegate nso aja atu minia ba woni message a ode ko mejidi se minya ha the whole of this week into minya breaki o se onu de oba sabe enipa edi dema ye fe omu disable for no nyame ya Adom no be ye president 2021 a o wa kwala na 7 ho atochima panuko school onya 3 years a wode no call KG from KG to university a free of charge tani pana ye disable for na 7 years for omu ye hwe wo Ghana no honorable urban sport babin say onu de oba san konfo no be hwe se omu so atetre be ye na me no mienu a 7 ye de ye CSF nyame Adom ye wa hode a ye koba no ye no omu ina ye pepepe eti to be a disabled no be call university free oba ye medical doctor no oba ye minuaba obi to say your first lawyers na di na ye be your omo afiri ma your message a delegates na ja tum afi o say branches ho na power ni free ho na tumi ni wo enti sa akofo esu na obehwe na odi sa adwuma ni nyina NDC at a party omo be ye no afiri ama asha se afiri dia na delegate then ye twen wey ya de emu da ho eti nyame adom me gidi se next week no delegates ne be kasa no ma hu sampa honorable babe and odi yanim kan no akoboa ma 2020 nkunim de na yere de to bi sam ye ho no na me nya ba ma me mo asofo no so aba so enka omo kachi ba mpani se enkachi wo we eye se sabre omo atu omo na si ho so omo be hwe na sa vigilantism ye gunu ye to everywhere to try some ye free ayabatuom since 1992 ya to aba afi mo ma ye kɔ yanim no e ne ye tiatan ye chi sabe Ghana ni bia nim se abatu e kɔ so aya wa so wet wagon no Ghana ya ba kwase mu e bi si da eti se wo yo sofo a e se wo bo a wo yem hyehyew because panisi e Kukurantumi ne ye be so a
hello mini a udin ni baby afrefe
ABY
eja
won ye de
adom na so e
masu bro yes ye de nyame
to asoma e mini a free education ni anasa ya be
ba cho ya be man free education we mini a
senior to aso e
akuya nyame ya adom a eda brada brabe bi adanse e maye ka ye wura keno for ya tasu se e luxurious cars no ye de ni nyina e kwa akoche na ye kia trade no kia bongo center bar 207 cars ya the engine capacity every 2.9 ade kwa kosi the ohona and the orgy between from 1,000 cities to 4,000 no ya de kwa koche no da no eye brada eye 19 ya bo aposi kwa manie o maji atumi se omba ba be cheche ye kwa ye be faso e be through ministry ho a ye nkotie ti obi afa ho bi so na ye de sa hyen ni nyina fa kuja akuya me fa chewo ye kasa amanyo sem ku e kire sei obi ye politics anya o man ye nyina ye kire akofo no mu ntiata o nya ti mamu fo eti ade akoso o mamu ne so mu wo mu taka mo nka so wo ye politics da ba ye ka aswa
ya da say ya be ma hello mini a udin ni baby afrefe
me dey ni papa ya o me ka safi kwame nkoma sek me to mobile phones all my bet anymore
advert na wo ye ne sa no pa ya to asoma me
yo mama no bo abaso mo budget na ko fun sham fa e ma me fa videos na me chia the whole Greater Accra Women Organizer this champion MPP na ko fun sham me pa mini about the make can say o man peni do mahama former president me di no ho ya wan kasa ana peni ya nta o yesa ugu Ghana ni masi o sa president asa di biom ana ugu Ghana ni masi say o man peni do mahama na asema o kan ye enti asofo fo no so no me de me to me ni de o mo do mo hu bewura police ma me manage ho be de esi dada no e de no mutimi ye fa ho we na afi de mo ba sale say o mo de mo baji we politics me omo sali waka what I say adebi koso o man we na nkoso a enye say MPP ana NDC omo sali nyina what I say enye say obi be ye ana mba sali nyina we be dia ene mo kan ho he adam yesa adam yesa o de ma me video
me das minia hello
ese bia
minia
Collins ni kata si amamole
minia Collins to asoma yin
we chuma ma binim say ni here wo ana multimedia wo eye wo ni abai so e ka ho efia pokua wo po chuma ya ko po shira mo na ya mo nyamre na mo wonti ma ho me kakra mo po chuma minia mestre wedi e wa sama ko me senso ke e se ni oni akono e de ni oni akono e de chira eyi so me refi
che no anu se
mo next week next delegate senior mamu ni kono bia se e ko to bi ma delegate bia me na me wo Joshua Labi ni be one of the farm papa ni campaign the campaign ba buetuma ma Joshua Labi professor then so bia ba e bi okone duro no ye mistake ye ko to ma candidate bia apart from former president Mahama me Collins me
ni mi nuanom dodo na ye campaign mu tene e kwakota former president John Dramani Mahama 2010 no nya banu dodo na wo ba be 2020 minia hwe esemu ICC de bia me ma infatuo bi sei ekuya se wo kraman na kraman no ne ni tene no oshibuwa wo dia wo a wo ma ne piani bi wo ma no fresh meat e mo ja na mono e wo wo dia one day we na mi bia ma no no to show so e fa wo say wo dia so nimu wo ni dia agro obe di o fem sam vigilante ke free hefa ena ye begu no ena ye ngo no ena wo nya kola sifie a kola na so e tene wo na wo no na o sole o ya di enye bebu oni se nya di ababu no na mum utwe fia e si ne so a fia no so nye se wo de bu no se de ku ne pra no ne top be bia se o de sepata e ka wo nye bu na ye sample ye wo IGP wo o mayimu IGP pa ye nya ne ana de bia vigilante e free NDC e free MPP e free Infa hey let me go se ku ya wo ye se training wo be dey na wo ba be go NDC and MPP vigilante e free e be pu ne e man penyi o ti akunya kesi so o kan me me twem it we so akoka afani de bia ye reference ye twem de that and I know be kan no 2020 all that 2012 all that die obi so ba no ti put for put enu kure if you say 2 years we pass up e ku ne tin yam put us to and put for the boy who buy it now no so yes me country o ka ye you free ha you don't know what time here
yeah that's it hello
good morning akuya
good morning minia udin baby afrefe
me ji sa na pom ye de
adumu na so
Adom ni ahwe ya aka ni aka amama morning nti kwa benya de bia adom so e be dum light sa the whole of this week ye dum light sa and no akra ye san dum no I match no mo so en ntwe yi yesre the energy minister o man home race na say dey is too much light of nas na too much Ebenezer na yakasa me kasa fi kwa benya wada janche akuya me say next week 2010 na NDC for ye den ye call election mesre nipan son na ejina ba me ka kire obi a se abana ekoto no se pese 2020 ye din kunim na 2021 yeso NDC ni as what as a president in this country be ma abana ye ekoto no ye ntunu nyansem so ate me ye ma obi mfa sika ba bedada wankasa hwe obi obetimi ayden din kunim ama ye 2029 na to abana no me ko ma asem so osofo open me ni agi ne ho pa de bi obekasa radio so bia me ni gi ema na me nya rehyimu se ye onyame ne pe bi e wo memu a etu ne adinya obetimi ayden aboa mo ma no nyame nhira no bebi obia no mesira nyankopon nhira ma no na me ka kire MPP for se Ghana nyina ye dia me NDC ni inso me Ghana ni kane ansa na me be ye NDC ni nti me ma inkodi atwitwa semen for ye oye ne ye den embeto Ghana nti me sira omo ti o kan mo se odi si ma atwemo ti ne si wo aya waso ebi si da ye ni me se de bia Dubai election NDC ni MPP support interwanto by the atrocities esi so nti me sira osafo maafo the senior minister me sira ne pa se opete ne si wo aya waso ne eye dia adenti na so obi ade a wo so wa ye na ya de papa obi di kire obi a eye wo ya Chesi nyama de koso a eye bone eni na wo sun se omampani mama ye den odi akochia disi na ye ndi ni kro wo memo nyama bi wa atwem ye ko ye nim Ghana Africa ye wo obi a hwe Ghana ka se Ghana mpemponso ye du ye mpo ye ne bia ntamu nsua nyansa ni nyama pa afi nyama e sisi no se ne be ya o ma ya twa ye ho ahia no be disi na omampani a 2020 nye ba no chesi ne ahia se nkitingi chesi 2020 nye be ba nyanti mama
yeah that's it Hello, Minia.
Good morning.
Good morning.
E patro Paco ni me fe fitama.
Paco, tema fo hu ya to asoma yin.
Ebi wa tema fo ye hu ye na awo kaka na esi tema komtutu.
Ada ndi na esi.
Ayo ti opa aya ona de bi osmi chairman no Edisaki. Oye agent. Ye pini ba kwa ka bebi ndra.
Oh.
Na kana pay. Na ko ti o kam. Rawo pa nyakopon fa ne kra ensie Edisaki eni ne busuafo me se batan so nka na kumpa Anthony nyakopon no de ma no no asoje
mirawo na so me de me kasa kaka everywhere your best fadu to your papa kala sa en ni mai say no schedule say do so say then your panachoma in hwe kumtemane won ye ni bebi ekobusu apart for help na da won ye tunsum anytime bia water way so mo pe o bi san so mo be on course aden dey asem kwa na ekoso o mo tunsum ana pe wie nyumbi do so ana pe wie nyumbi aden ukoka mo small camp because o man e team no ukoka we opposition team man kasa $6 na ekosisen dollar na ekosisen the president promises and kwala so kwa na ko mo chocolate akosku everyone me mpacho so kai ene so ko ekosisen hwa ye waso asem ekokosu na hwe ye mpinyi form that script ano aden nye me Erica Mitai MPP coordinator Mr. Beku me ni didi eye bibia ebe ze na mda dia ko bono ko bona de ekuna ye den ye eni ano ye ntimi ko party bako nkofo ko ya de ntise nye ntise ne wo se mbrado mu dinu ni ekobo mu aden no ko tell na yisi ma me we say onimpo se nkofo se mask na video no nhwe bia na aden no ho nye pese so man sa politics NDC MPP ntinu ye so man na aden na do ye freno o fa ne nansi fom no o punishing nkofo mu yes anyama we me say that's so.
Yes, that's Sepako. Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Minia, would you baby free?
But Mr. Korte, so too.
Mr. Korte, to Asamaye.
Yo, because we are buying my Shirao, my power. And I pay Nikia, some person, a chief and a company that His Excellency, Gentleman Mama, some Babaji or Mangana, a freezer, and Kwasum. Share Minia. Yeah, we hope say MPP fought with radio so to come and justify a dear SEWO Iowa so now equalization just move the XKB at the DC before share 24C so to go Bobaya the power so that in America MPP for say and me above so may you day. I'm going to say that a bepo mu and I saw Mubusa for so no, but who said ya see a ya. Share me near said ya can ampa by lessons said to Ghana President Kufuor up to Mama Breso. Some violence did take place, but and yet just between NDC members and MPP members. And yeah, obi, ya said that more people, ya police at I said national security at who work as a police and I said from national security. Well, way a big cigar. Na a year with the course no a year criminal as I said, what's the police at Taria? Was so that I was to police cable no be who work as a police. This is criminal. Or no I did people all the way. Share Nanado share a dear Nanado a year. A year threat to the democracy of this country. Now suffer now. Also, better we have to reform. So, she got her own. She has said here on my way. It's because he is maybe more. Because they do the kind of politics I hear over my Ghana. Medasi.
Say, that's Minia. Hello.
Hello,
Minia. Majesty.
Yes, ma.
Campaign near Mattis, if you said, now what you said, and now grow any puzzle.
They didn't do me now. So you said me, we are supporting the piano. Me make sure say me correct no. Until me say back me there. You know talk any way no. Obi abe because
and obi have support to be as worrying.
Yeah. And from divining otuko no bubo akọ. Agbesi me dey na problem kaka ba ho. What me say me no na ma me correct o. Me say we correct say you say.
Enti we no problem bi ama ho.
Mr. Udia Ube say a Kosaban. Bagbin, the only person who make it. Now, Bagbin, or your president, and can vigilante you. I'm not good at that. Well, good person of Quebec. I'm going to president 2014, 15, 16. Uncle, we're good. I've got no because it's sideways in the near future. No, every hand here. It's not good. Now, what's there? Minya Park or Bayano, or Kazembi, Tema. And that committee 2 ya ntase papa ye senior bada ba kwa onu kita akase for players ni na do family isima do mo ne bote mo ne squad ni ya committee 2 ase no wo fi me dedi saki mo so ni ko ba kwa nya o da no kita nya o tema nti edia kese ne bu anka me kwa no enye politics me ya na pa anka ense me kasa kwa because nda ye basasa nti no but me kuma sem is about you the person won Ghana Francansha omuntie na person ma no chance na me be town nchen na me ka Ghana je eba be si she abikoso ntokwa ni so enso abikoso and I start abikoso e start Ghana me majesa mi kasi me na me elibo the hotel bu elibo nchen park ni nchen sha abikoso oba mu je sakunu on be da hotel 5 good months you go put the park ni so ni animo the animo amu share hotel 5 good months Kokovu hotel 5 good months how Ghana how enti national security dia pay no elibo no ori na onya signal and intervene no aye too late enkwafo no
Majesty Majesty
yes
wasa mo awo kan kwa na animu me mente da me nim ba bi kora
ntokwa enya dia ese Ghana ha yes so kwa kana pata mi chew yes so apenyi bi ya kasema guna uzungunu o ya IGP e o mu se political party be appoint o guna o say efa ho asafo no afasa mo kasa ndabachwa time a ndi solution power say king ana obi wo abrafo the fana abronye DC o tikas o yes say time akwa come to me madam pako ya pick up binding obabeje onan so ndi ade anwa iti for NDC ya ba power na dia abonye dia yami asisia no enjoy ala we PM obo tema metropolitan assembly waji masase na se NDC ba power me banta no
hana betwa asase ho manso de abaye ebuchia no nwotwe abo apa ho sima aduonu enan enche ye de afrefo no ebeba wiege na empanimfo aduru fie haidie wo se ye hyase ene ye wo Economic Fighters League wonumu kanifo e wo fie ha Ernesto Kofi Yebo a Bernardo Dronyako MPP amanyoko no communication team oka ho ene wokọ takrade so a na chese odi akotene pa e wo honomo wo fie ha Ishmael ni ade onso CPP amanyoko no 2016 wono ene nipa wo gina ye senka CPP wo bepra konwa no e wo ka so a e de ama won eti ene otim se empani adufie empani betena se Banasco minua Banasco amponso kam empanimfo a ene wo ba ho hello
everyone
minua
bepacho odu ni gomo de rampon
minua gomu afo ho ya to asoma yen
na etia abuachi wa Adom mepɛ wasɛm tu mesima yin madam mepɛ wasɛm because in fact me see do be a big na the NDC but this is a question them what yakopon show papa na maminchi am communication officer Jerukishi a Ogumwa West na minchi na nka ho na Central Women Organizer effort na lamte oyo obiaba no kasa no mampe dada mahama moko ye odi che ambassador sa onyu we shia na de enye masa ye tomeyimu no manya yetim IGP wetu mebu na aka che de kami yimpa na woko de tuasam yeyim ho minister siasa wo ho sisale institute we no munsam ne cheche party wo power ni general secretary wo deputy general secretary wo organizers we no munsam a ibi anche de mo kodo wo man Ghana nhunko abem na sedam nyamanyam na minister wo bi sene de masa mokwa munye intelligence no mokwa mu ho tu ho o tie ho tu ho na ebia the motu na wo de shoot a branch na nine NDC fu wo tu ni bi de bia aka na mbom na nya ho a wo small wo tu bi na onya we wo sam everyone onya we wo sam wo de mampanyin dada mama Africa na the whole world obi ehun de omonya ya tu ni o no kwa dri inyo na yakaka what mampanyin dada mama why mistake na se yet so many no no se mpefunu won hwe no won ka asem na yi a nya wo ho no wo abaka ma som de aba
Yeda siminua yeda sipa hello
everyone
eja
Pacho, good morning.
Good morning, Minia.
Pacho, Al Hassan, my perfect.
Al Hassan, tema for who ya so my.
Nyankopon Adom, Yamafuye, but Osha Mamua, Nana Kufuado, Ebuidi, and Koyi. Wa woni say they be importers ne exporters association ekata say nyaman koye uba market nyaman ko see a dollar e 5 cedi 25 pesos abra NDC eja dollar no mo 3 cedi 39 pesos see a 2 years so see a dollar e 5 cedi 25 pesos nti wa nwa nyaman koye na ebiwa mistra o me pese me clarify bi kakra ya wo intechemu ana fama what say honorable everything free yanka ediska everyone
mini ato asema me why
me patrol tie obi eba ofidie so efo oka say honorable free yanka ebe diska poto na me bisa wo say honorable free yanka obediska na
ube bisa me question and answer ube kan
wasem me pese e bia sa wo nchichembra would be my would take for motie wo because
be me na me nchichemu bia me dey ma why abusuan yegu so e wa Asempa 94.7 FM so yento aso hello mini audi ni baby afrefre
mini aba ya frame setalanga me frefre kaprai
yo mini ato asoma yen
no ba ma pom tite
boko eja
na mi se nya mi sha Mfama Honorable Abubakar Sadiq Boniface or Madina Minister of the Vice President mi se nya mi sha man ana sipo police sipo Superintendent Alex Obin mi se nya mi sha na mini aba o hwe ensem a ekoso wo man mu dia me kakra me kanete eniema ekoso no na di former president Mahama ho ya papa o ya president wa be di o man so pen nyame aye wadom o san be pre abepe na ogu o man ni mase awa manoni a na o pe akire se Ghana for se bio o man Ghana na wu na ni mase na wa san be di Ghana so bi ma na mestre former president se anytime bia o gina ba bi na o kasa akire o man na o hu se o man ni Ghana kuma so o man ni Ghana kuma so dia not of primping to one consuadi among mana, any question or casasa, or manicasa whom renyam, no sampa, or your man penny dada, and or some pre as up to me, not so to me no go or mine any massy, now can send you any passer, penny eka, now one penny dear or go and far more mine. It's your best friend, your man penny don't do many mamma, they be our casa, or who said, or mano, Edanakumaso. No,
ahumano atwese abusuan ye de besi ase ye de afrefo no ebesi ana empanimfo atena sei ya to aso de akọ ye ni medical de ato anim se Ishmael ni ade CPP member na 2016 kasoa candidate ogina edema won wo fie odonya ko MPP communication team oka ho na tadi so o hye hopa Ernesto Kofi Ebo a Economic Fighters League na eye Banasco ampon eso eba ama yato adwumadi no eso mamema mpanimfo akwaba na yempem enko yenim na wadwenche ne yesumi live o Facebook ntu betumi de adwenche ni bi afa honomo sada so na akua boachiwa yi Adom on Facebook obetumi de adwenche ni bi afa honomo happy birthday enko emma minua bema ya yene no ene wo adwuma say George Wiafe wo Joy Business News enchia sonko enkomo nyankopon enom na onka ho wonfie no wontum sada so na elder anini wo Church of Pentecost Finland elder nyankopon onhira wo papa onhira wo birthday no nyame ya Adom ochina na media na de wamma hyase enne nyankopon onhira wo pa elder Samuel anini Church of Pentecost Finland nyame onhira wo ne abusua no enyina empanifo makwaba boko de aja twen microphone no ema ye na ye nkoye nim ejade akwaba
ye nia
CPP mu ye
gina ho
mujina ho
yejina ho
sa mete monka na ache
ye hihye niema
sese niema hihye na duru hin
sesi ano enche ye beye ye constituency elections executive elections na ye beye ye national elections na yenso ya pe ye candidate ye de be call about 2020 yeah sure say the anema e call Ghana sisi na Ghana for ebe ye at the forefront a third force is coming
yeah be CPP
oh yes utie said the osofo no kasa ya osofo opuni said the okasa ya che say Ghana for CPP emre ene yedru no Ghana for abre MPP na NDC sisi ano ye ba be ya de foforo e wo Ghana
na CPP mo maboabo mo ho se Ghana for kasa ye be fa mo a ye beba na mo wo ho ana se beba na mo so mu achetan
debi ya boaboa ye ho ankasa ya boaboa ye ho ye hihye ne ma so se Sabe,
is it 2019 mu na ewe yo aka year it is a moda so prede a
yeah started ye nema did see a constituency elections and ye nti ye koyenim this is the first time ye ba beto aba say aka 2 years abeba to aba CPP ye constituency elections it should tell you a lot and probably no say be election year no ye national election so year na bet say CPP for year constituency election see I started this process last year to nti niema gwa kwa
mo constitution enka hwe mfa ebre wo say muyi akanifo muyi flag bearer ne ekeka kan mo da biri bi ampa mutumi ye ne ampa
debi ye wo mre constitution ne kire say aka 2 years amia to aba na evisi etime ye kandifo
na da bia mo twen ya ye na ye beto abanum na mo ye
sa no kire say sisi ana niema asesa wo ye party ni yes
nti sese mpanimfo no aba papa agudemia me papa kwansa ni we mu nyina no omaba mo ye adwuma
omo hye kire eboa yen pa yes ye mpanimfo no I decide say ombe pushi emrantie ne mabaawa no sisi ya no ye hu say majority of electorate no omo ye young people and omo Ghana for here fresh ideas na fresh ideas no wo mebunu no omo ready to listen to impenifo no and on the fresh ideas no eba amye magana etumpon baby agana edru na enye o sisi ano
it say ni ye be hu CPP youth
yes
youth na ebe di CPP anim
inshallah
enye say CPP emre bi atwa mu na nipa wo ye mu youth leader no wo 56 60 they say the youth na ebe di CPP anim ye da say odo yanko boko de
boko do pen for na to
ayo enen che say ye no ye oh yeah la o de papa so wedding you
awo enyima ko dey a lawyer another a prosecutor
wedding papa do yago still strong what me the papa can home you a man
in I'm kwesi practice for papa
you a man bro for me kam nu mi enu ya na etiase say utimi ka say ye papa there you are a big man you are a big man and that's too Fighters League na no dey by fifty is I know
ni abre obende
bibi aboko
nyame adom na so
adom na anope na me si me bisa me nua be man next to say say wo hwe vima CPP dey ba no next to be kwa na next to fi say hwe mo candidate na te wa ne na kasa yo na ni ode atwedwa che say change aba say CPP mabunu kwa na omode eba CPP new face ebeba enu ti se ne nka yie bia na ye beto aba afi na mo pre yiwe say wo mugu niema so den enti say no say economic fighters league beto kakra na wakwa bo adwuma na ye say third force
mechia na yechi for so enina na yakoso at the fighters for ni na say because we are mobilizing said no without resources. There is absolutely no reason why India thousands of people in Adom fighters. Yes, now we're just 5. And we are more than 8,400. Tine would wish every political party be well. Our interest as a movement is not to kill any political party. Your interest as a movement is to save Ghana. Odo aye wo ema yamai and ema ye what we do. As for the CPP representing Enedi, I think say yenina yenim. And it goes beyond even them to other political parties in the PNC, GCPP, Equiadonko, and Omnedi. We know what political parties represent in today's political equation. And if someone kasa etimi ebetsna studio hanumu say eka se niema ekoya, we thank God and we wish them well.
I don't need.
Well, so I see mebuno abem.
Or some mabunu no cry na ebe lead say force ebe lead.
And what hanumu say? I mean we
I don't say on your babuna na. Juni ka kra bi na woni tiri mu.
Okay, we wish them well. We wish them well.
And now who is on your babunu?
But I mean, carry
fresh boy.
Was wada. Well, or start to say or born and ube who say no credit no credit. We wish them well, said Yakana. Yes, so Yegusua ye mobilize ya home to ensure say we attain economic freedom in our lifetime. Mebunu enina ye ni so adi hunu baako. And they say in our lifetime we can attain economic freedom. Me Papa Yote Minchen or represent CPP. I want to believe that he belongs to the Mahama Ekufuado generation. This is the generation Ghana Hanumuse. They have benefited the most. They are the most selfish generation that this country has ever had. They say in America, they say offer every good thing they are mine now. Free education from primary to university, they got it. Right no more university ground, but you know what? They got free meals. They got free accommodation. In fact, the first demonstration I also at the University of Ghana was led by our generation, with J.H. Mensah. When demonstration is said on more caption, no bread, no hallelujah. Sabreno, now university. This was the university administration. My dream said there be inside some basic dining hall among students because that students eba omudidi wabo until where any be to form any idea. So they said there be instead of, and this was the university management. Instead of building their friends in the dining hall, they were actually prioritizing the building of a church facility. TJH men say Kufuado all these guys came together in a massive demonstration, said no bread, no hallelujah. And so the same generation is leading the building of a national cathedral when our roads are not yet constructed, when our hospitals are not yet built, when our youth are still suffering and with no jobs. I mean, and we believe that we are in the majority. The only thing that is missing is a organization, and the Economic Fighters League is doing just that.
Yeah, that's it. Abusia mame nkona mene owura kwame adade MPP amanyoko no communication team oka ho Banasco de besa no pe wo kompai bo wo Achimota Forest ntino ene Banasco ayiran system eja kwaba
yenua
boko de
Radio Adom ya weche TF nso nyina
TF je so Adenta constituency niemem to say
Radio Adom bibia akọ kama ye koyenim ya mpai woni sa Adenta MPP betna so ache onza Adenta I said dami I check MPP baba akwana NDC baba akona na say ye pese ye sumu ye na ye di koyenim nti adwuma no bekoso
we adwuma mo ye wo fom no amukitem
nyame na che si hene nanso ye nim say ye ndia nipa fam de ye be ye gusoso ye
abusua yen hyase na yen kaja engum no nwotwe abapa ho sima aduanan eba akona na ye be hyase afi Nigeria ma no emu ye be hyase afi Nigeria ma ni wande ye de be bom tew na chese yapem akoyanim ye hwe Nigeria ma no elections ananke wose koso enne na anopai no miensa electoral commission ye won Nigeria say wonu mu anya nto aba no wode kɔ na awotwe se enne na awotwe na omode atoso ensunsuanso my Ghana sunsuanso ebetumi aba ye so enne ne akoso wɔ Nigeria manu menesto chase ma me
meda sibium say Nigeria obi biara wakɔ Nigeria pen biara na ebehu sɛ yɛne Nigeria nsunsunya bia nhyɛ da nda yɛ ntem in fact hu Nigeria ni na omie na no a oyɛ Ghana ni a wadwen bɛ o sɛ oyɛ Ghana ni, and this is why intia young economic fighters league de yajitum say Africa ni na na ɛyɛ ɔman baako. Everywhere you go bia obehia any African bia na there's that affinity, there's that love, there's that bonding instant naturally na ɛda hɔ no mo tine bibia ɛkɔso ɛwɔ Nigeria bia na also has serious significance, I mean, for the rest of the African continent. Nigeria one of the largest economies, I mean, in Africa. In fact, I think it is the largest economy in Africa, followed by your friends in South Africa and Sanoa by Egypt. If you have a situation where the largest economy on the continent with one of the biggest population, if not the biggest, na BBC it calls for a lot of worry. So Nigeria 4 years or almost aba begu Ghana hanumu say yentimi nso offer Nigeria size na de toto Ghana ho you need about 38 or 50 Ghana and sana onsaka Nigeria size na. So this is what we are talking about here. Elections na ankoso no nanke wesa ebaso enede. It's really unfortunate, but this is also not the first time I AC. In 2011 they faced, your friend is saying, a similar challenge. In fact, in 2015, so Crown Bona, Bibisa Esa Ekwaso. It looks like on their CV, more experienced in postponing elections. And this is particularly not new. Ofa Electoral Commissioner Nankasa, there's been an attempt to bastardize the Electoral Commissioner Nankasa, Dr. Mahmoud. But in Nebekano, Dr. Mahmoud is also credited with organizing one of the best elections that Nigeria, I mean, has ever seen. Or no, and or they friends Buhari no more about power. It was at the time when people felt that they didn't have a dog chance. But to have organized the election in such a way that the voice of the people represented then, I am ready to cut them some slack. But here show in the night Hanum says Nigeria your mind. And even the citizens in that country have been deceived into thinking that Nigeria your mind. But the truth of the matter is Potoka Semiafre Bibi neocolonialism. And this is what Yanana Osajefo Kwame Nkrumah was talking about. Say ebibi mine yankaya huamboma mpempenso ayebeko kodunu and they say abrofone there physically they will be gone, but then they will still have their hands and their foot in their resources. They would manage our country. They would decide who becomes leader, and as leaders, I mean all over. Over Nigerian population, the largest in that population demography, youth, constituting they are between the ages of 18 and even 40 years. And they are more than 60%. And so presidential candidates are, you say, they appear to be in the lead. Back where the 72, back where the 76. Ghana Hanumuse, I mean, in fact, who be our Honomana is Nanado and a friends, John Mahama, our best foot forward. Ye kwe nim omanya ye pese ye tam ye ntuma pa efra the youth of this country they have absolutely no voice. And said the economic fighters
and the youth, do you see the youth say youth now you're ready say positions are walking say and now you see you youth be able to me lead ya was a youth ni bi wo if say Nigeria and walk with the two frontliners and where you are mabano nipa 72 and every positions as a position back ya omunyina so anyini kokora ne nkokora fo point.
Exactly. I make an say generation.
You prepare for
the most selfish. Young Kasaya Sakawa constitution. I mean, bars young persons below the age of 14.
Constitution, no, it's a say dear send you that way you see dear or the cancer constitution I use Sakawa and freedom.
Oh, you can't Sakawa no saying. And on say
419.
Exactly, may can be Nanzono and Yanokre. Offer Article 17(1) of our Constitution, you see in the equal. And so by transitional provisions now, also there be we are all not equal, sir. A bit more honor
before then.
Exactly.
Before then, equal.
Before the law. We are all not equal before the law. Offer transitional provisions now. Or say a bit more crampo or honor, it is illegal. In fact, before you say it is unlawful, say yeah, this half for nebe kokujina, your friends say any court, any tribunal, be and say your friends and body be say yen try over their misdeeds and so this is the constitution we are talking about. Constitution are less than 50% of the population. In fact, 50% and over of the voting population the airboy quarters are processing in bringing this constitution into being. This is a product of violence. And once I'm near Constitution is anti-youth. And or say we the 18 ubetimi atwaba eyoma mpeniama the whole nation. But you can't present yourself. Say Ghana for soon share what you can do near to aba amal.
Age is saying.
Or say 40.
40 now waba kokurana brewa.
40 now.
Because say say from parliament na 21. Osha say from parliament na that youthful age de year juma youth no mebisa question bi unyima no me say ye ni ankasa ya prepare ye mo visa say ye ti oman mu meba ye ti oman mu ni eso si ye youth e bi awie universities na ye te ho no mo masa mpanimfo ye awo kan omo de ye be ye vigilante groups warlords ye ya bo aye hu si e be di post na ye be kon
ye nti ho kwa me pese me call for MP. As a youth, I have to go and pay, thanks to Madame Charlotte say, I have to go and pay 10,000 CDs plus. How many young people can get that 10,000 CDs plus and give it to Electoral Commission free of charge? Yeah, my Muhanu say, o pese o organize your friend is saying elections crown po ewo wan kasa wa manyoku mu enom ne de keka ka ho. For even young persons like us, because what we are doing in the Economic Fighters League, we're on the path of history, and yet, the financial encumbrances are just to prevent young people from rising up. It is obvious, it is clear. Constitution and Kasabao say undi 40, you can't. Meanwhile, my colleague Justin Trudeau, Canada, he was just 31 and obey a president. Offer Macron or Ghana had himself because you're a youth. Until he should look for a constituency, but he's president of a whole France. And so Ghana had say Nigeria and other African countries. Ya come mebununa sha ma vede. Ye who say NG war was ye din.
Yeah, that's it. Abusu Ernesto Yeboa any attending Kanama Minko Odunya Kosona Yentwaso in Fiodunya Kon. Near Koso Nigeria ne esunsun so betumi aba ewo my Ghana so. Is a say Kaduna State nipa 66 and ye kuon egu honomo ni nyina twitwasem ne niema ekoso wo ho ene so kan obi so mpanimfo say nya reason no to asomayen
ebi why me fa kwenya menye du anope na menchia Ghana for wote yen sebenya yankote na nyansa wo unitrim. It's a privilege being nya na yetna dey me chat the good people of Takoradi constituency NPP4 be chat NDC4 CPP4 BAO. Many of us asem ya we see Nigeria. I don't think there are asema or asem there. Painful kasa be a worker there. Said today, ija toyon kuna boju sema or there's sense where this would home. I will put the fenu na factory jano because definitely if you know what about them. I've been to America, I'm here Nigeria and Ghana. It's just a stone throw. Man, cause I'm driving from Ghana to Nigeria. Na me hu nzema okodo ewo kwano do. Look. Ye Canadians nearby se bibi sabi osi Ghana ha. Yes, so young kukun kaka yanko be ebe ko Nigeria because a hona work brofo or hona wotumi yetumi you want to communicate. Few ones we know to mark Cote d'Ivoire, to mark the French speaking countries, you know. But majority of us will move to Nigeria because of how we feel they able to communicate with her. And Tim Pioneer be born yankupon, yabe strength. The more kodo Nigerian onya de papa. Na ankasa unsa no more Nigeria for. Nimpa krumpuwa or to that dom a wewu. Nti yabe stre. Na se you know Nigeria for no so because obi mama example be 2016 election no. And Ghana Nigeria ni o Ghana hade na orehwe yene follow yene proceedings no. Na some kind of Ghana for. Now when you serious them one election na man for shout the violence. What's it? They no offend violence here. Even one state in Nigeria crampo no. Assembly election crampo they impose your violence. Fanti you know because they what who one pen when go into on day onye bibia. It means they 1 hour adwon po bi there. Yerko election and kasa na odi nya violent situation war. You know, nti your best them painful. Yet say asofo the clergies na various societal groups na one hour your best the one guide one more on counseling and one avail one na one counsel one more one. I mean in zaman one who there ako na da ma de no on fa impuntumba. Me brother ti o ka say next to o ka say or your youth made no hu your kakra or Nikasa or Kase no mobi. Or make reference to another Danko Kufado there or your papa Penny then ne bonedo. But I will tell him that another Danko Kufado one started at the age now than another make a reference. No. Na Nikasa or Kasani in the youth no and yen yemubinum ya downgrade ye on that. But some few ones be on who there they had a vision, they had missions, and they are go-getters. Another one starting there. Same I know they be John Dramani Mahama, so honestly be honest one Uncle Sasson de ho. Et I say, into young youths near honors no. Young fancy young what the day. You bear positive things. Sabi politician being funny man and need the Num Kuga America on phone Kuga Bruchu. No be for our youth in there, budget 20 cities, budget $20, budget na koku na kwa shahoba from now so the nature. No chebi. Sabi a baby, na say okay, and you are just insulting your own self. And to them, I'm a better can. I ain't you to know. You who there. And young penny for no cotton, Sabi, what ye a starting there. A youth, a starting there, obey ye. Painful on all CC and one started at that age. What mean read the cram fire and penny for near Dr. Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah one starts the oye papa penny. Nanado one started at the age away or started free baby and no baby baby. Until we should learn, we should take a cue from such leaders, such great leaders. Now you should start be there. Obi timi tran them papa and family and school, mommy and family and school. Ebi so make come life me that chowa. You'll be surprised. Me free takrade, my by university. My mother didn't know, my father didn't know. I took up a challenge to come to university. They didn't know because I had a vision. Definitely, I must get to where I want to get to. And to say, you to know so 1 year starting there. So, them to trust him be all could do a baby and so paying for for you to know 1 year. Say you to work at the no. I know. And to your best say, I you to know so no. Maybe a massacre some 10 cities, 20 cities now, or we brand the engineer to trust them no on your end. I am Cassayan fire and Sanya BB. Your fire and Adrian BB. I'll be benefiting. Say Eric Quacoya, Juno Mammy home, Juno Papa home. Juno be seeing an interview. Giddy be see out the bitumen one, no, no, a begonage and and I will monk a crumb up a begonage on her. Your best say, won't be in fat. Nigeria full. You're forwarding your case study. 9 you to know, you who more cocoa Ghana had it. It been all starting kitten. Yen take a cue from what is happening in Nigeria. And Nigeria for yes, someone. Yes, someone. Yamina Yedinyaku Pondin Strawan. Nipanenkwa, Moja, ne ye guno. 1 ma on your bro. Yes, Ghana, your population, or to the one state or Nigeria. Just a state in Nigeria. because I think over 80 something million and walk to about Nigeria. But it doesn't mean there won't kunkum. Nigeria one proceedings now. Ekwakoto abana like a day or two now. Ekwakoto abana over more card. Na they ekwakoto abano. I mean they should get some kind of reforms and move a bit forward. Ewa. Enti yebesre ebiwai onya humka. Onya humka. Enti ye bompa ma won. Ghana ni bia so compare ba ombo because unia oho. O ma me bi oho or a business oho. Oka ba Ghana for so ba be kan because o ma in oil. Nti ye bompa ye de mo de Nyankopon kan won.
Ye da se abusia odunya kon ene ate ne nka na MPP communication team mu ene owo. Ye nko na ni ade entrust ma ni. So mami.
Good. Yeah, pacho ye be chia Ghana for mutie nya. Said the aminu ana kan no. Nyankopon adom. Na privilege kakra ne nyanti na sebe ya betna ha anope ye ne ya manfo kasei. Na Nigeria asem no me sorry ahumachi meti no me nwanwa pa because enura up to best 11 o'clock enyumre me tie proceedings for Nigeria elections. Let's just say bibia koso I see ballot papers ne nyama nya no so many states. Now much me sorry for I say amato na maso no me nwanwa me hu dwiri mi na me say inti Africa yi ya Africa ye be ye ni na unim Nigeria no prebebre no bi so omo ye big brother na se bibi si wo ho a na se ya ntoto ye ne meyi a prebebre ne ne metimi si wo Ghana ha nti me Nigeria ambato no me ni dimu pa de be si wo oho no it's likely say e bibe si wo Ghana ha na sanyema we nya no ekoso wo Africa and I say a brimemu because yempe nokre say ufa Ghana Nigeria yenya yempe nokre eno ne ye problem no say party bi ewo opposition a said dia okasa na oba be mu a said dia oye ne niema no won say no yempe nokre say President Buhari pa nete abenya so ewo Nigeria o ene e ba beto aba na less than 24 hours in kan 12 hours impo na watna wa hwe enhwe han ama ye postpone aba no sa no ne che say ye mpe nokre ewo abibimemu ha wonim sa abaye aye to wo Nigeria Ghana for Nigeria for bebre wo Ghana ha if you say omutwitwi omoremu ne niam na omutimi ko Nigeria ekoto ambinum agya omu business ato ho enra ene up to Sunday say omu ko akoto aba na watwa na say aye ntumi nto aba na sankofo no what do you want to do to them sabi omu aka no una obetu ya amomo ana na wenya na eya if you say emebunu no omu de hwe no mo de ye adisuade na ye timi gina o se ye betimi aye bibia maye man na se dia me brother MPP ni no kan no won se ase emebunu na nkasa ana se host wa kan ase ya nkasa na we are not ready me tina si din a metimi se ase emebunu no omonye ready because me sebe me gina ho a me se me gina ho ni ento aba ama me e wo me constituency no there are a lot of young people who thought that na aden o young man aden ti na opese ye to aba ma
no mo se okura we young
yes
sa friend no wedding face o mo se we young
no me di 43 years
and no mo se we young
yes
sir
mo se ba aden ti na e say to aba ma okay e be to aba ma wa ndi e say o ye bibi o na me young man I understand your situation me say to abama me na me can represent you thought that yentime nyesa na untime nyesa omunte wasem na se no to aba no mo you think that they will come along with you na say me share omo na say honorable Sambra o na say Mensambra. No monka say mame 10 CDs, mame 4 CDs. No, membre per se. No, membre per se, but if you say you me send a signal be, me I will say me mau be ansana what to abana mame because you think that me age mate and I say bibi no. But the other person now or no when you change or no or no be son bibia. But you think that you can go and vote for him and I say hey and say ekoya dia. You think that they will come along with you? Inti problem no say and mebuno no mesha ye nyanya ready pa. I'm very sorry but let me tell you this. One ye penny for ya bon penny for be din to say JH Mensah President Makufuado Ofa Yao Asamoah NDC former chairman be Obeda Asamoah. When they meet, when those guys meet, almost political way no, they don't look at it. They see themselves as nationals. Those impenifu ami bo mudino. So mushia as nationals. But young people are more MPP, or more CPP, or more NDC. Inkanka MPP for and NDC for. Omo ye emrantie. Omonti omo wase da wo. It says so omo say oh, we are nationals. We are fighting for the cause of young people. This I said you be kind. Oba Ghana ha. Nipa dodo na ewo kro no omo ye young people. But young kasa we are fighting among ourselves. And no na problem no. Enti se si ano ye be bompae say Nigeria nsem esisi we nyankopon ankasa bebem na impenifo no so a omo di kro nanim no omo benya sebe abutoyem no mo se power no enwo hoda. And now you are the president, you are a minister, but ochina entimi nkobasada. Inti omo hunu sa na niema no said the eviso omo ye no de bi omo ye ne sa because sebe BBC Nigeria se sia ato Ghana. Say ya yeti ya se sia yewo inkofo bebre wo Ghana omo wo relatives wo Nigeria. Yewo Ghana for omo ye Nigeria for, yewo Nigeria for omo ye Ghana for. Inti ye best stress impenifo no will let Oma kuma and run the system, but ma adwen and run the system. No said ye beya abutoyem beba Nigeria na abutoyem aba Africa.
Yes, that's my young father in Cheba Kumienu na ye ntoa so enko yenim. Eno boaten ade enie. Wo say ya trosem ni akwaso no wo Nigeria ne bi ntumi nsi Ghana sa. O se Nigeria for nko na Ghana for so nko yo yate eno koboaten adwenche no ko chase so ade enie. Wo se ebi waye o mampani dada adwoma ma se wo betumi asesa Ghana for adwen pa we neniema a wo ye nde oboa boot for boot obi anya na adwen so obefi no nti on de se boot for boot a na busua na ye hwehwe won fa wo mra ne enko yanim. Eric also ade enie wo se ebi waye abibrem ha kanifo omudidi yanim no omanyinyi dodo enkokora ne merewafo no doso dodo enti enkwada ne emrante no mo wo hefa mo ye nsori youth no na yeso ye nkopre post no ebie Michael Aduse so ne de ayo de ba ye nchia ana ntwiwa de eni o se bi wa mechia papa na Ghana fo ase ye wire fi bibi ye nti Ghana manmu na nanado danko akufu ado Ghana mampani na ne wote so wo ko USA ekohia investors ne mpanimfo bi de kwoto wanimu se katahye ne pro ye Ghana adware yen ya no oka investors ama Ghana ese ne ekoso mampani mama de ende obi nti bi da na Ghana fo huru so sa momi anwene ye hu Idusu Abdul Kuduso ede eni o se bi wa mechiawo na ese mampani dada mama ne wire fi ne ho kakra ne wire fi ne ho se ebo se woto bodan mu a esan ba wo so 2020 ne wo ye nyina beto aba ne so why is a dupoku so ede eni Ernesto Nwanya no say Ernesto ye den we young communist minded and centric dey brofo dey abade Ernesto wo akokan wa dey na brofo dey we yi bi dey amount papa we say ede nti na Ernesto wo de ne ba host no were young communist minded and centric gibberish. I'm sorry for Ernesto obrofo ne de atoto ho no ate ode enda mechanic twi kura enye da brofo no de to na na osem de ma Jeffrey Chemeso ade eni o say mon kan che Ernesto so won kana ntu mayen eno Ernesto si de yi YouTube mra YouTube aba Ghana ha say no de no wonu maye ntia wo se ehwe so kase ye kofa YouTube foforo aba wo de ye hwe YouTube miensa we akua mema wo YouTube miensa pe example Sam George Esuhini wokuja to ablakwa eti sa nipa miensa ya mabọ omudin no wo de ye nhwe momfa emfa nto ho ne ye hwe se ye ntoma YouTube a mo amoto mo nka mamintie Jeffrey Chairman ne de ye ode Michael Ofosuso ade ni o se akua kacha Ernesto Maye said the size of Nigeria no enye 30 or something times 4 times ena Ghana enti on hwe ni ye emaye efo Kofi Kennedy so ade eni o se bi why kacha MPP for no so momya so nkwa didi ni wonu mu enya atwem MPP for ye enya atwem po ye kapati ya Ghana say wo ye hypocrite pa ye MPP for unim mampani dada Rollins te so Mills te so wo mu ye so mu tu kwan pe na MPP for aso demonstration wo mu be ye gu mpanimfo ye nim asese poto enne kakra bi ko wani a wo mu de black paint no ho na ye won so de ye ode aba no ma me nko eye menua bema adade so ejadade so mayen
machati efo nyina na say ncha messages na aba ni bi na ye mistre kakra be mecha ase free to say o si obehwe obi asa so na odi asa ya na hadwen or make a reference obi messages ni be make a reference to ye nua okujato ne suhene num say o si obehwe ensem ni bi dia ene na we youth ni nyina free enti no ma ye nhwe nkrofo bi esuban ana omune ye so Sam George ko kan say ya ku obi wo ni fie na den no oje ho sotro e bia wo so ko kan bia wo so beje ho sotro nti eno nkyere say ma youth no ye ma opportunity media me ni obi a ya adwen say ye ma youth no opportunity a ye wo hwe youth na omo aban we mu no omo bo adwuma pa hwe ye nua kojo ponkruma ye ni ankasa ye enjoy FM nua kojo ponkruma hwe adwuma a oye wakojina baby akoka say yakumobi oye na adwuma kama wo hwe bebre metumi abobodin ne bebre omo ye adwuma pa nti maye mfa no ho ye ma youth no opportunity no de aba ne say me ko akostande MP enche ye nuanom na obi a ye politicians de bia me hia nkrofo say ya ye say ye be ye politics no yes ye ho na ya position ya
o so DMP when adenta
baby aye edru ho aye be yi aba
enu na me be say the readiness say
we are prepared say mranti aba no tete no na obeka say mranti bia o mo tete nkwankwa anu ase ye mranti ku school pa mranti na siesie o mo ho pa ye de ye ho agi politics no muso asua mpanimfo ye nante o mo na ase ehwe se de niama siko nti anche na wo hwe mu a de ha mranti na siesie ani say bia wa university anche ye onyanya adwuma bia mu odin bia mom press kakra ngu ho na politics no nso no mprepi no ye ko enkro amanfo na so omuntu aba amaye ne a ya na fa bibi kakra bra ye sei no ha adwen kakra nti say ye pian no mugu nchen amrantie no ye ka say amrantie adwene papa good ideas great ideas no bebre wo ye wo bebre say ye be yi niama na esi amrantie no kwan na free wa because pani bi anka say ma akola bi ankogina election pani bi anka sa but wo a ewo ground ho no omo na omo si yenkwan no me must stand the election several times
na constitution e ma kwan say we yes
the constitution 18 ne dia won say mra o
18 no to aba
18 no be to aba but aba say yes answer na wo ye be ka say unya minor bi omu kura say we di 21 wo mo atro constitution no me say omo wotrimu pobinti a omo hihye niama bi sa say yes 18 years embe yo mampani a say ebeka kakra media madwin no me madwin kire no be say obi adi
say constitution no ehu say obi di 21 a yetimi to no so aba ma ne be di MP a MP no na che say constitution no say no eno de wo fom tunti medi mampani gisa wo ba wanim bie mu ansa na sese
adwen kire no ne se media menti ase no no se ye hwe se obi ebedi beye 40 years na say wo mo atro constitution no ebia na adwene a what the spirit behind whatever they wrote no say ubedi 40 years ne de na wani abie na wafa abrabo mu kakra na wo experience kakra na wo hunu niama kakra media nka me ne wo mo ya adwen. That's my personal opinion. Say ubedi 40 years no why adwuma kakra examples na text anema ye no wo mo straight from school na ye so a wo mo aye kukuru post akese ma wo no bebre hu so hwe ebi hu so hwe bebre e di ya agro bebre di student politics omo kasa ni omo ne ye ni omo niama no akoye se student said na ye student politics now enti no me personal, this is a personal opinion, say me personally dia na nka me ni wo mo a ekruche constitution ne ya adwene say nya experience kakra yes see bedi o mine so a obetumi aye bibi wo mu say others aye bia no nkyere say Ghana maburu bia say udi 20 years kra na see bedi mampani a untumi nya adwuma no enya sa na meka na enso Ghana for yen ye hwe ye hu no ye carry ye hu no ye say 40 years na ye pe say yen adwene hu say constitutional review ni niama ye koso enti no say anytime bia ye feel say ye review your constitution no ye won kwan say ye be review say ye feel say 20 years na be boa yen ye mrantie no ye be to me advocate for 20 years for even 18 years now you feel say 18 years we will start advocating and civil society groups ni niama ya dwene ho na ya nim say sa na ye ma ye be ye intino say ya the constitution is said city no ti say Ernesto kan no me de constitution ye woniama bebre wo mu aya kwansidie kakra me ni constitution ni nya adwene wo appointments bi ni niama bi ho but eno na ye di ye adwuma sese ya edrum a esese ye sakra mu a ye nyina ye wa adwenkyere bi wo ho no ye be san akwakyere ye adwen say ye feeling so say ye push for constitutional reviewer eno so ye betimi a share discourse na ase na ya shase e di hu nkomo na wo mo esese o mu initiate sika esese ni nyama esese ye di ye no na omumbo na ye mfanye be sisi ya se de tie no ye mfanye adwuma sa me de eno na me gina so akasa na ye ko Nigeria no Nigeria em say omu no electoral postponement no say ye two election na sheda no enye wonwa too much adentina make sa say 2011 so move to sheda 2015 no move to sheda until for the past two elections no last minute na ye two sheda
baba say ye two elections ade sheda na dano aye to aba no aye ka say
enti eno meka ba ho the last two elections no move to sheda enti no say ye betu asheda na afi ade no esi ba ko esi mienu a si ne prince so no ya na ensheda anye nwanwa biom enye hu biom nanso sa na sese ye no eno no akoye say meka say before so say de yesi ye niama o ye bet na ho last minute na fe na gidi we di mrika fa ha we fa reasons are mo ma ye ni nyina almost electoral materials nko baby. Some of the reasons no I don't think na wotna hwa ma dane dru 3 a.m. and then Nigeria time 3 a.m. fa say aha 1 a.m. and na omu ko kan say election no aha 2 a.m. na ye kan say election na ntumi maso e dey na esi ya twen and na ye ti say nipa bi ahwere omu nkwa one of West Hon 66 emu 22 eyankwala akwala oto aba emu 14 eyema wo mu aka no enti uhwe niama na the way the build up no na niama there were signs ya ntu ho na mu ya nyehwe last minute INEC say akoye meeting
na INEC reason no kra hu say enya nipa na yakun wo no say logistics
na me ka no say logistics no na wo ka eba ne say na last minute na wo ka say logistics enru ye hadwe akoye say yensu bi la ye for bibi Ghana time or African time o ye betwen program no start 9 na 9 no afi na medware wi a me sha atade wo fie me koduru na ye bisa me sa den ya me si o na we dey say African time esa na ye dey ye niama esa say ye hwe niama bi ye na em za me nuano mo kasa no omo ka asem bi so amene omo ya adwen esi wo Nigeria nyama bi a ekukọ so wɔ Nigeria yen Ghana de nyam kompon aye ya adom for the past few years no a ye to abayi no yenya experience we bi yenya enko saa ahohiahia yi mu bi saada yen hwɛ sɛ ebi nsi me de afutu a me de bema electoral commission ne sɛ sesi a ye ti hoi aka ye mfie mienu a ye bɛkɔ abato nyama ɛsɛ sɛ yeye akakakra na mfie mienu nyama ɛsɛ sɛ yɛde yɛ adwuma no sɛ yɛbɛtwɛn 2012 problem ya yenya ya biometric machine di setting so a na ogina ho hwɛ wanim na akwa bi di na ne nsa twi concrete na me EC officer na odi ne nsa twi concrete na odi nsa hohoro na odi abetim so pipim wa ya hohoro semina odi hohoro ne nsa de yɛ di dware ponko kra nka be yi. The point I'm making is nyama ebehia no ye besra yen crop for you because esi wo Nigeria my yen train na last minute afi na ye ko ye electoral register exhibition na NDCC say na NPPC say it shouldn't happen. In my opinion, it should not happen. Nigeria for a good Ghana ho me dey ha me no say womo a me na for the guys bia omo meni omo net meni omo net na meni omo na ye bibia omo tu kwan ko Nigeria ye ko to aba the sika kakra bia ode be choko ne ho no ode Africa akọ ebi atwa plane ticket ebi free abrochire aba 1 week no ebi a obi agina adwuma mu permission say me ko akoto aba na ma san aba nti we planning by Monday Tuesday there or Ghana ha Wednesday or ko na adwuma I say anka eba earlier say bia omo anka sa hwe omo ho omo carry omo hu say ye ballot papers into min call ye e bia electoral officers are here into min call ye sika kakra machines are be use no omo carry omo ho na omo ye postponement na about a week ago anka ebeboa pa nti me need dia make nyina ne say this is a lesson for us. We have followed the election. Ghana ha etimedru emrebi na aka na ochu we say SSA ye exhibit electoral voters register na ochu mienu na man ebinsi ye hu bi ye de be ye sua de ye de be sua de na ye de move forward.
Yeah, that's it. Abusua ma yanam pedinfo ase na menkai wo se Kukurantumi dwumade en waso guso a wutie free Asempa 94.7 FM so no ye kwa aba na ye ba afei ne ye besimu onie na watwi emu eye commission ya mampani na adodankwa Akufo-Addo echeye empanimfo akopie commission no animu wonsem a wo keka wo honomo ayawaso wasu ogun na ni nyina afiri baaye ene ye mampani dada John Dramani Mahama wonso diplomacy meeting kese pa wakoye ekotwi video echire wo honomo nsem mienu miensan ne yebeka bomu na afi ye de atoaso akọ yanim na yetwe amuti aboaje aboafo nkracho ye ba na afi omanyi mu ne yaduro yahwe sansemi ene ne ka ho John Onua Rain say ebiwai good job nyankopon enka ho chakrade nchaban dwomo ena mitie erebumo ede efri nyankopon enka mo nka so ho menua yentwe ho na yemra ye ba na afi de ya toaso e wa Asempa 94.7 FM so.
Provident Insurance in the na bepe insurance ma o ka dada ana afoforo branya wanya dwumadie fiasie January posimi edikan January 31st ekosi March awieye March 31st 2019 ubenya chedi ahuro bebre ebi ni coupon e di bufu agu ye ka mu any Provident Insurance a chedi bebre enti tutubrika bra Provident Insurance in the na mom kayo dwumadie nhihye kakra wo Provident Insurance
done so much for me. Oh my God! Adom 106.3 FM so I the bruta every Sunday from 12:30 to 2 p.m. I Adom Bible quiz. 32 churches are competing. Why never did kind? Why never toss me? Why never toss me? This and every Sunday, she be Kwamina Island live on 106.3 FM. Adom Bible quiz. And why you dead? And why you shit? And why you every Sunday from 12:30 to 2 p.m. I tell them bringing a wine and in Sabaka. Adom Bible quiz sponsors TBS Roofing Sheet, Roof Papa Fee, Bible Society of Ghana, making God's word available and affordable. Feco Spray Starch, look sharp. Erector Hotel, we set the true standard. Roma Insecticide Spray and Tom Master, Franco Trading Enterprise, Phone Papa Fee. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it. Second Kings Real Estate, home for kings.
Would you like to change your home or office from the ordinary to the extraordinary? Are you tired of messy POP finishings that's heavy to work with and time-consuming? Then Trelidor Decor Range is your answer. Trelidor is the approved supplier of NMC, the world's largest manufacturer of polystyrene cornices, skirtings, ceiling roses, and wall decor panels in the world. Our product is not POP. It is extremely lightweight, flexible, waterproof, fire retardant, and very easy to transport. 5 times faster to install than any other POP products. So don't delay. Call Trelidor Decor today on 0561 24 24 24.
Mira.
Yes, Odo.
Bini hana mimi so asem.
Mini.
Medro Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules no. Kingdom Herbal Center for omo to mumpo won.
Hey, anu se de aye new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Wa improve no pa. Na ahodna ba mu mo. Na emema ye ne enum na wo ye de hu ne.
Saka ne no wo mimiri bia. Na minute dudu a edie ansa na ejawa be hamadwen. Na energy say wo mini ya asa munum hono mo na ayi
the new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules you do. Bema fa ya paswo na opon ko pentamsi ye gidi.
Ene e ya paswo apa. Hwe me wura unim. Sa handbag no amese kwato ma me jaito. Fasika ni kwato new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Nanom na uhia. E ma de no tremendous capsules. What onu bia ma.
Dem wa ja tum do do ba se Asempa. Wo su de na wo pharmacy. Chemical and herbal shop bia mu. Atufu be Kingdom Herbal Center nkura beta bia Ghana baby. Phone numbers 0302 68 1984 and 0244 80 54 15 and 0244 80 38 99.
Aswed marketer in your ma bomotim to nzama kakre kamo ho me bomu na usika no one by one na manfa mix your ma aha wonsa kan 2 Ghana cedi alert na in your ma fatotolo beef kokoa oyenchin ye for 10 cities na fa bi kan ho to live akuko nyin for 50 pesos to muko show madam sending na bome
Vodafone cash aho 20 etia 3 Ghana cities botum biara ebotuma ambona sika dudu biara mebusiafo ayonkofo new business partners empian dudu biara epia entua hwe bio na seke yisika no so a oye 1% pair register Vodafone cash na bo star 110 hash ni yi 8 na fa ho hwa ho to embusum biara.
The future is exciting. Ready?
Mr. and Mrs. The Mama praise the Lord. Hey, Pastor. Hallelujah. The treasure de who sit him here. Name will be on the according to our future.
Hey, Pastor, if we say me kunu fa mermaid do CB men's capsules. Na me so me no ma dear CB women's capsules. What I know? Any job be fear pa.
Praise God, praise God. CB men's capsules. I best some in Pemumre, and me do some yali, and no abandons now we can't never from no. And in Ayasia, I am the future crop remuno. CB women's capsules are beginning in every so. Maya come see me that day munti. Me rapon ya no be fear. Coming going. CB men and women capsules. Susie Herbal Center, Ghana man, madam was say a painful, a bad time one more money for them of when you fear to me no come. Our pharmacies chemical herbal shops in name. And to 4 Susie Herbal Center 0247 11 16 71. After 0246 57 87 50. CB men and women capsules. Ubadun so feel. Hey, you also go. FD ahwehwe edwadi enka twemu agiatum.
Oh la la, Provident Achadi Kesia promo na be dwabio. Bra Provident Insurance in ya. Na be insurance ma o ka dada. Ana foforo branya wanya. Dwumadie fiasie January posimi edikan. January 31st. Ekosi March awieye. March 31st, 2019. Ubenya Achadi ahoro bebre. Ebi ni coupon ye di bufu agu ye ka mu. Any Provident Insurance Achadi bebre. Enti tutubrika. Bra Provident Insurance in ya. Na bom kayo dwumadie ehihye kakra wo.
Provident Insurance. Asempa FM.
Mira.
Yes, Odo.
Bini hana mimi so asem.
Mini.
Medro Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules no. Kingdom Herbal Center for omo to mumpo won.
Hey, anu se de aye new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Wa improve no pa.
na ahodna ba mu mo na emema ye ne enum na wo ye de hu ne
saka ne no wo mimiri bia na minimum minute dodo a edie ansa na ejawa be hamadwen na energy nsi wo mini ya asa munum ho no mo na ayi
ba ti ase se se the new kingdom the same pack capsules you wodo be ma fa ya paswo na opon kwantam se ye gidigidi
ene eya paswo aka hwe mi wura unim sa handbag no amese kwato ma me jaito fasika no kwato new kingdom ginseng power capsules na no na uhia e ma de no tremendous capsules what onu bia ma
dem what je tum do ba se pa wo su de nya na wo pharmacy chemical and herbal shop bia mu atufuo be kwa kingdom herbal center nkura beta bia Ghana be bia phone numbers 0302 68 1984 and 0244 80 54 15 and 0244 80 38 99.
Abeku, my business way dear, data some will put in voice calls. Now so sad by force bundle and my network demand media and wame me here she share pa ebe me do money to mpon.
And your bravo the full smart business so and your package from Kubia and wo home numeku and my way wow boss.
Testing.
One na ubeche data do draw for any local core bundle do draw. What you money here?
Isa
for Vodafone smart business so pre where you man can call with data do ebe cancel. You been rolling over my company no.
Wow.
And found one send your Jumatie. Vodafone Smart Business one she share mount. Fresh 0302 334040 and I code www.vodafone.com.gh/business/smart business. Now who ye?
The future is exciting. Ready? Asempa FM. This March, get ready for the second annual 3 Music Awards with live performances from your favorite Ghanaian and African music superstars. Here are the nominees for Music Man of the Year: Kwame Eugene, Stone Boy, you are the most original. King Promise, Shatta Wale, Kitty, Quincy Arthur, Medical, somebody tell Vivi I made it. And Sarkodie. To vote for your favorite Music Man of the Year, dial *713*2# and follow the prompts. To vote on social media, #3MusicAwards19MOY, followed by the name of your favorite male act to win. The 3 Music Awards is presented by Joy FM, Hits FM, Joy Prime TV, and the Fantasy Dome with support from Love FM, Joy News TV, Adom FM, Adom TV, Asempa FM, Inshira FM, and MyJoyOnline.com. The 3 Music Awards 2019. Here for the music.
Mira.
Yes, Odo.
Bini hana mimi so asem.
Mini.
Medro Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules no. Kingdom Herbal Center for omo to mumpo won.
Hey, annual. Say there. Aye new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Why prove no pa? Na ahodna ba mu mo. Na emema ye ne enum na wo ye de hu ne.
Saka ne no wo mimiri bia. Na minimum minute dodo a edie ansa na ejawa be hamadwen. Na energy nsi wo mini ya asa munum ho no mo na ayi
ba ti ase se se the new kingdom the same pack capsules you wodo be ma fa ya paswo na opon kwantam se ye gidigidi
ene eya paswo aka hwe mi wura unim sa handbag no amese kwato ma me jaito fasika no kwato new kingdom ginseng power capsules na no na uhia e ma de no tremendous capsules what onu bia ma
dem what je tum do ba se ase pa wo su de nya na wo pharmacy chemical and herbal shop bia mu atufuo be kwa kingdom herbal center nkura beta bia Ghana be bia phone numbers 0302 68 1984 and 0244 80 54 15 and 0244 80 38 99.
Ayampo, say I
akwantuo mu nsɛm yɛka ne deɛ onim na woankɔ bia na yɛw sɛ atesɛm ɛnoɔma bebree na Ghana de hyɛ nnam mu wɔ nkɔfoɔ ama nso deɛ woteɛ wɔ ni bɛgye ɛne deɛ ɔworɔ ɛbɛho
hwɛkura yɛwɔ yɛse suro atɔ ɛyɛ 20 inches 3 days yɛntumi mpie wei ɛyɛ kuro
ɛne nti ti aburokye nkɔmmɔ a kwaku amankwaa akontadwo ɛde brɛ wɔ Asempa 94.7 FM so memene da biaa ɛfiri anwummerɛ no nsia ɛde kɔsi nɔnso 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. yɛbɛhwɛ nnoɔma ahodoɔ a ɛwɔ nkɔfoɔ aman so a yɛbɛtumi de aboa Ghana amena fa ne toma pɛfra ɔman yi mpuntu na ha bɔte sɛn passport ho nsɛnsɛm ne nyinaa yɛde brɛ wo ɛwɔ aburokye nkɔmmɔ dwumadie yi mu yɛbɛsa so amu akwanya na wakyerɛ w'adwene
Robert David Mekasa free Germany Kobe yeah Amsterdam concept ne was for aburokyefoɔ a wɔn a ɛwɔ amana ne nneɛma wɔn a ate amana no deɛ na wɔn ti pie no wɔn kura na aso program no mu aso project no mu a ɛnwanwa
hyɛ ne nso sɛ yɛ memene da biaa 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. bɔganie
Asempa FM
nkɔmmɔnie
madam tobo no ante ahwehwe me kwan yangu ma ware gu me kunu si me nim aduane no enam so ma sister Suzu bi o ti me fitire ho den kwan de gye me kunu den Suzy baha e ma me kire no afresco cube na wo se wonya be ma bi na opese opopo nensa no de ma no natural say afresco cube no de spicy enam de stew en kwan jollof ni nuane ahoro no wo so ja me bi na wo yusu efi say me kunu akada say wedua no wo taste power mantem ha ane afresco cube show me baby ayetu no why afresco cube efo emeduane ye de eyihia ewo dwa so bebia dodo afre well connected enterprise awakra 0244 612 516 0244 612 516 afresco cube memo bi nyukunu sankratwe Food and Drugs Authority ajatum say eye
Abusia Asempa 94.7 FM so ena wasugu awutie no Kukurantumi dwumadie ebre ena yeguso a yede mamoyi sabre nonkron abapa ho sima aduasa emienu
Asempa FM
Yakoya nimna fe yensema yede etopono so no yatoa so yede ani ache commission ya na watwi wahye wasetena se mampani dada mama ensema efri eye ne video yi okoyiye mu eba na sabre ya so ne nkrate bida yanimu no ekire mu se businessman bi ede mampani dada akokoto mampani dada mama se yensi ne kwan kotu nsi ne kwan a wontumi enyina empri di bremedi NDC amanyoko nanim na kampeso abeyo mampani ewo mayimu ya be makro no yese ye friend Steven Ajiman ena de mampani dada mama ekokotu o chese article 68 clause 2 yen constitution no se wo be di mampani wie na akokotena nchen a enwo se wo hold office bi a chese ebe ma profit gise wo be ye bibisa gise okoje permission ewo mrahye badwafo ho mampani dada ne wo ya wo se chese wo san be di mampani wate office wo munya adwuma ma ne campaign donation ne niam nyina wo je no wonye permission mfi parliament nti court no enhwe na omu nsi ne kwan ajeman ne wo de akokɔto no embarifo munsom na yenko eye commission no ne mampani dada video yi oyiye ensem no Ernesto so mayen
kamedase ansana meshase no memfa me time ne kakra correct some impression be especially if Nigeria for postponement na yamana yet said the free precope and more a postpone but there were events leading to postponement a few days to a day. What had happened in 3 states was that electoral commission offices were burnt down, and these are in 3 states. Ghana, the electoral commission office, this is what we are talking about. Let's not create the impression
say logistics
yes, if 3 states electoral office, electoral commission office, I think that it is significant enough to pause the election. The other aspect I was may correct has to do with of course the environment that we are in Ghana Hanum say and generally across the continent anti-youth metie minya ni metia dade metie odro, you could tell say there is very little confidence in themselves for the youth and even for their own prospects any idea. Nina is right from the constitution. Offer Ghana a real constitution, which is the first Republican constitution. Article 11. Quick. Article 11, your friend is in 2A. Or say any citizen of Ghana shall be qualified for election as president if he or she has attained the age of 35. Sabrenezona na unkonkotua have a billion and sana wait me eputu who say opesa oko contested president any other. So all of these encumbrances in ewa honoma, I think say ewesi etimishe. Now to the issue of the commission. We are very clear in our minds, but said the akano yempese yensema yebeka ebe tutuniama ama commission. We feel say assembly de anke daho. It is very clear, and all of them, even listening to a more RPA before commission, any idea from police for to national security to electoral commission, almost stories are NCNE and contradictions are yehu, and my boy a friend saying commander no or war a Legon Abaso for at least being bold and courageous to be truthful before the commission. He was simply being truthful, and he was you could tell say he's free. There is freedom in truth. When all cannot cry, you are free. I mean, you don't second guess any idea, and I think say he did very well in coming out with the full truth. Or say on the day nankaso of the election. No ye commander ewo ye friend is saying sa constituency honoman ko no enanke we se bibia e fa ne so anase ye hye ne nsem na ye yi ni senchen ofre kwesi for is oh wasa adan mo me si nchen uti asema na se kwesi for ka so se famanyame na o de enya hwe
o kwachi no my reason so omo si o level no a omo pese abatro no mpanimfo na edi animu no kono omo pese omo yusu omo em hyehya ase nketwa no na de ye.
Well, for me, I mean, as an observer, and for any intelligent observer, you can make an intelligent guess. They knew what was going to happen that day, and they needed to put him, I mean, in the dark. Said the bear on Konkobim. Later on, Crown Poor Niama Etitipansamiana. He was called into the picture. But of course, he would not be able to have the full and accurate detail of who was part of the contingent he deployed to go and supervise a friend saying, "Sir, election." I feel that yes, a bit more condemn President Mahama on this, and I want to be truthful. MPP and NDC. Omo masters ene sabrofu ya President Mahama efre omo eni omo ekodi nkomo. We all know the
diplomats no.
Yeah, omo masters ni omo. They report to them. Omo no mama is to organize our elections. Omo no decide who becomes leader of this country. They have absolute power and control over this country in such a way that yempeni for na omo ana one kind WikiLeaks reports no. You saw how I am penny for Asia ambassadors here or more ebiomu nemu nina etromu ewo mine hunsem enomne de kikanka. We saw it. I mean a proverbial, but I am saying that because no sensible person and as the same person.
Air conditions.
I mean, in some more kikan very embarrassing. This would not be the first time, but I want to also believe that. President Mahama na Nebotai is not to disgrace Ghana. Nebotai was to expose government. And for us at the Economic Fighters League, we are clear in our mind that President Kufuado, if he is only the president of Ghana, and I know say every president of Ghana be on your weekly briefings, he more than anybody knows those who are involved in what happened at Ayawaso, West Wagon, your friends and constituency. The national security boss knows exactly what happens. What happened there. Only more cancer contingent, the CID, all of them. We don't want to take any of them out. They didn't know what was going to happen, because you can't have a situation. It doesn't make sense. Say a whole police force, say foreigners be ababe from mu edi bone. I'll be very alarmed by this, and I don't think say Ghana Police Service is this incompetent.
Do we solve the problem? Say, yen solve problem na say ne wo ka say diplomacy ye NDC MPP masters yi okobo masters amane na say master e mamaduane ni bio ana nya meden reason no ne say
Lapo no di Lapo. Lapo no di say this is what your friends say. Miniaba kono I am intino or you violent or you this into the next time would disika neba monfambra minimum and change said the bay bit me project a good image for the country. Namusumeti me your resources in the manner that you guys are able to do it. We are very clear in our mind what all of this is about. It was not about you and me. It was not about the ordinary Ghanaian. What happened at Ayawaso, what President Mahama did, and what the MPP is talking about in Nina has to do with power in 2020. And this, to me, and more now, sir, Ayawaso West Wagon constituency election. Any electoral observer would know. Said there was no way the NDC was going to win our seat. Oshomo electoral history in the Krampuna. It is clear. Say this is a seat. It's been for the MPP for a very long time. The no person win here. You have to do some campaign. I be NDC candidate. Where did you see him campaigning? Look, I didn't see him in the young Koran share posters in the Krampuna there. You will see the woman's posters almost everywhere. Big, visible. From but no problem. Ntina nanka you expect sanke bianca you would see the other political parties ABNDC and CPP Ghana contest and LPG. You would have seen, but they were not visible. Internet was clear. Say who was going to win that. It's not as if say woman impone yedio winnie and had any strong no any message. At the whole plane a message. At the whole plane. Yet she was able to go from house to house. They were able to organize rallies. They were able to stand by the roadside with placards. At least you saw, say, all the candidates, one needed a post, and it wasn't the NDC candidate.
Yeah, that's it.
And it was totally unnecessary for what they are buying MPP by deploying our forces to go and victimize ordinary citizens or our constituency.
Maybe why? Yeda Yankupon Asibio, the Yeda who you're tinkum, and a pay. Maybe why said Yaka John Dramani need video no one sama boy. I am tell John Dramani Mahama, the immediate past president, the dead goat. All producers answer why resort to a living goods. He should bow down his head. He should bow down his head in shame. Oh, can them? Oh, China no can. Also no one fun. Unsini the war a shame like can then bow down your head in shame. I can then shame. I can then tree.
Oh, sinitias when
Nimguasim. Okay, one. We try kushi. Fantini bukado electeni. Kushini da bonabeni. Listen to Oberman.
Dear kushi in wetra.
Okay. What could you videos be the actual diplomat or paint Ghana black? Video no the coin, video no kuyino. Cut and paste song. I am the MPP, my year Canada. Incident now Osiwo. I was West Wagon. John Dramani Fide onunti no capitalize on that na wako ton Ghana wako she Ghana for ahoba me maami otigom me brother ono onam street do ekwo she na ahoba da cha brofo na da jiska na da be your campaign there pe de be lead the NDC no ma ye ka che ne de video no de be no ma ono ose oye yankasa the late Emmanuel Chamanteja akune yaze no oye letter pa na Dramani Mahama wa abono no so pede ye kire na ombra ye be prove ye pede ye be ko ma ye kan de ye condemn them incident no see no without any cause the oya de papa na ye be sere busuafo awon obia ne ho aka there won so wona akomem onye na adodan kwakufu ado ne pe onye ye ni ministers won ne pe da o si obesi na ado ne penye de Ghana obetumpan na ado ne penye de Ghana fo ye benya peace na ado ne penye de mo si daboni ye hwe eyi kese a ahemfo bieni ye de mo hwe peace a order aba north na ado hwe free SHS a ye paddle na ado hwe national health insurance a wa be hyemu kena na ado dan kwakufu ado hwe 2007 na yenya MPP ye discover oil NDC for be take over wodi sikano susuro wodi oil sikano susuro
omudi ne dabai
oh mami
omudi scan dabai
mami hwe wodi sikano susuro wan fa nya de pepe bia fa ma
omudi ye na maye omodan ifise so omo obi di sika dia
mami ka semtro mra na ye di adwuma o mani mu dem oye ya tobo mra no ene ye di adwuma o mani entum sorry prakope ayeye bibia ye to yebo systematical approach in ye de ma every situation etase enti anyende onye ochina but ya ready mra no na ye di adwuma o dem am awon ko na ko to yem Ghana fu ye sika we di no obi abefe no daba ayonye ye de at that point in time yes enti ay ma ye kanye de nzema papa na ado dan kwakufu ado aye odi ma hwe 6 regions ya nyame na adom ona na ado dan kwakufu ado ne nsado order be hwe yenya regional capitals ye be sre de Ghana fo wo ma ye nenwan kompuntu nyuma na ado dan kwakufu ado ye ho wo ma ye mfa odo ye mfa nta papa na chi na John Dramani Muhammad wo mi nja no sebe what's say wo bibi wo se ebubu pa ebe hye de fodako ondo onye but ayen de ye focus ye hwe ye ba in de ba be develop Ghana ma wo be se no na ne ye ba be ye se sebe talent min kan kwechi se me fa talent simple keke because I remember the honorable BT Baba tama me do Max line he came to my office in the only me nipa awon nankasa no constituency cia sebe obiano wo no okokedi ohen modo wo ye by election ye hwe mo kodo ye wetiwa talency by let my vote count I was there hwe dey wo bro yan union penyin gabi oshedako se John Dramani Mahama na NDC so we two constitute a commission that time nke agenda nne mo we sia na nado dan kwakufu ado tikese odaso daipa ma we sia ono alti commission de won hwehwe mi nko be sia nko nsi mo si NDC wona abredu ni nyina senka wote commission ma wo hwehwe ma nke bilinsi ma nne mpuntujuma na nado dan kwakufu ado oye no na ono wa ye na adwende obekọ kutwitwa obọ letter obekọ fa video a no krobi oni na no da kọsese ska wa brochi dabi or paint Ghana black we are telling him that he's a Ghanaian or ye penyimu per constitution or ye penyimu nti onye na ade do ye penyimu no nje do ton Ghana black or say Ghana enye ne da ma de mo fama sabi mo fama agree a gimmicks political gimmicks you know obese na dan kwakufu no movement no. For us in MPP, you stay focused. You're madam nkiti on because Ghana from chwa video no. Police ni awewu wo baby ni video ni nkofo wan kase wako woni yi na ekotwa eda beto ho. On woni han internet da ko bon letter. We are coming to expose him. You be expose you the videos ni nyina you be send. Ya ndi yan fa nkoton ma wono. Yan nkoton ma abofo ni fa nkoje simple akakrama ni fa me campaign da bi. Another rank for us, we are moving out of IMF, and I know they come April, I am for our veterans, you know, veterans, we cancel BBM team to time. We are going to generate revenue from this country. We are generating the monies from ourselves near the Bogana Hombra. Ono na yere yesisia until another Kuku to say never again we are not going to go to IMF again. Yeah, question sikabi ono why you ready? Ordering there sikana na another card on question or no two card obuano. Eno akwa start o video de since ono cooperate cinema kakeku number 2 on cooperate normal me no fancy sika no try get film for moment letter John Mahama letter kronfu letter papa no robon on sister na ado ni nyuma ya oye no make that kronfu letter konfu nyo ma mukrom kasa nti letter konfu papa nti ayende nzama papa na yes ye hwehwe ye da magana man hwe dem porter expansion work here to do hwe free SHS. I mean, easy, we should applaud him. Yeah, mompa yen faman sabi oye ye one Ghana oye Ghana hadi onye face ni fie oye magana fo debi also ba on also pedo baby onu do onye adwuma ma never be assemblyman dem onu be assemblyman na never be to enjoy John Dramani mama I enjoy bibia dem my brother Ernesto King I enjoy good so constitution Ghana he na ma order also eye na anya na obi ye ma mofama yen so ye ba yeso aba enjoy bi no SMP monya na ehu da ya benipa
yo yeah that's abusu Ernesto yebo a edene de aba awie ene economic fighters league na odronya ko eso edene de atoaso amaye no yeguso ewo Kukurantumi dwumadie no emu na ose kwaku de ya wode aba wose akua yeka obi a okita empani se obi won mo hu na ase wei otumi kita pani dibre mampani mahama mehunu asa qualities no mehu se obi efise ni book wo tworo ye ane nsem a wo tworo mu no mehu ne sa salas sasrakuso ede ya wode aba wose akua na esi wo ayawaso wasuwago no MPP amanyoko na reduce wo mu vote ankombenya by 20%. So omo de omo se ombeje chinya abatro no dura ye be mu efise ni omo ye no na nya de se ehuhia Michael Mokeso ede enie wose akue eniema enye pa akoso ewo o my Ghana mu no eno na mampani dada woyi kire ye no video no ne woyi ye no enye Ghana na esi ya na Ghana haya na esi nti woyi a ne kwan so a no nso ne de ye ode aban no esi esta so de enie wose mampani abreso mampani na nado abreso no empuntuo eye adwuma Musa abatwa so de ye abode aba wose ebi wai hwe commission no aya tese wonya nhwehwemu no mini problem e wo ho na emom ne esi dada Ghana at 50 nhwehwemu omo ye commission no adwuma no wohu ruling ya court de ba ya tese ensunsanso epie ye ntumi amfa obi anyina mmra no enti neidie no se ye de nipa yi bekọ wa hwe nsem na wotwi apie wo commission no anim ne ye beka se obi befum eso ye ntumi mfa ni nyina mmra no enye waste of money anytime media mehu ne senka yetumi enti adinatuko bi a sensunsanso ne ba ye betumi di wonum agina mmra no a enke no ebeboa ye kwakula bi so ede ye ode aba eni kwaku enha wo na da bia me ka se wonipa kro wasem no se wo de ba na wo be didi atem se meme nkan a mema no de emfiri honom je se wo afa megaphone na wo de ba bontina se meme de ma no wo betwera atem na me de ma no aka de ensi pa ya so de ya abode aba eni wo se ebi wai enti wo prefer say ye betena omayi mu na atwitwa sem ne niema ekoso no ye de asie ama oman no ntokwa besi wom ana se ne ekoso a enye no mampani dada mama wonyi nkyere mawiase nyina mu ne ntumi ntu ase de he na ye me da megidi se ne mampani dada ye no boni bia anim ne ekoso ewo mayi mu na wayi akire no Christamaklo se wo de ba na wo twere asem a mekan ye be ye menua be ma mekan na emu matenidie bebrebe ade abegu wonde me chese me bie ma no kan a enya de se be ye min eja to asoma yen ni so mayen
yo yeda mase wo akonya amudi amaye ho sisi aye ka commission owura penny email short commission president ate na President Mahama nso video sebe okoyiye na said media mekamasem ne say MPP any NDC for no omo mpenokre na de bia no se MPP wo opposition a esno said okasa NDC nso wo opposition a said okasa de ne yeken ye ka video a esi wo Ghana ha say ayawa so election no ye koye election no ye botu wo ho in the prayer sabi police officer in charge of the place no was it part of the operation nyama nko yie was ayawa so by elections no nyama nko yie kra ye bo a whole sitting member of parliament na oye ndisi ni ndi abonasum ya bonasum hwe sa nyama no nya no enye emma ye krowe say nipa ne ye MPP ni kra na say ye ade na say enya enye but Ghana ha say ye tia NDC na so a MPP from so enya hwe ye tia MPP na so NDC from so enya hwe ye koso yesa ye krowe no ebegu na eno na CPP for ye ka say monhwe sa party for two way o they are the same people nyenye ade foforo unim say sa ayawa so by election ye koto no nema bebre si ya na enye say de bia ansa na ye beto aba bibiti say aba na ye to ye no parties are omo contest no in that election no near 4 candidates PPP NDC and MPP ye invite omo to a table if so omo ba near ka say we ye be ni say parties ni nya akoye MPP omanko adenti no manko does it mean say no ma ye nhihya omode ba be say ni mana I mean say eyampa say ammunitions egu obi fie na say national security enya information say if say ye tu wana mo say ni ye tu wana mo krono na ye say krono dano mi bie TV me hwe nkofo omo nam ho nam say Ghana pa ni na sebe de mama eye mi areho ni say enye se sebe Ghana baby bi but in one of our fine places where we have some sebe one of our fine guys your constituency what 3 universities wo aye kan impenifuo pa wo Ghana ha omotesa ayawa so no enya asem kitwa na sa ade ani si wo ho anopa wo brekro aye one national security ye wo minister of interior ye wo IGP ye wo sankofo we nya ye tuo omoka wo Ghana ha na sa asem we si ye ade achi ye nothing happen all those guys are still in post nature say krono ni hobium sanka Ghana pa ye kura ye serious there is no way the IGP will still be at post on kamamintia political parties on disbanded vigilante groups what are they action still or so will post nothing is happening
political parties net here.
Any political parties no let me say any NDC ni MPP and no mobile bande we no vigilante groups no national security and na IGP no na said so be bande saade no tie Ghana ha no won enye Ghana pe but a nation has every force ye Ghana ha no ye kuta force a betimi dia ye bibia se ne IGP any national security almost say ye twa vigilante mu it will never happen. It won't happen. They can never go and misbehave again. But MPP for omuntimi ntwa vigilante groups him some Delta Force and in yamani omuntimi ntwem because eno ye omo election machine no baako na said yo so omo pro ye Ghana for any CPP for ye big gina ho den saade no hwe they are not NDC ni MPP vigilante no there is no way there will be more than 2,000 people. There is no way. We will come face to face with them. Ombe kum ye mubi they will kill some of the people, but we shall overcome them. Say IGP or nim say na said say group say no or no. Na said yes obetimi abandon no na so obetena wa ka che say ase edun ketia ene we monko bandim. What kind of way is that? And the president listening to that and is not taking any action. She one the ekoso wo kroma here. First no say sebe obi ko bo obi asum NDC ni ko bo obi asum e be say John Mahama we bibia be se bia be ka say John Mahama. So many bad things are happening in this country and nobody mentions the president's name. Oko kan say hey I don't know obo ni din onim so ye penim. What kind of country are we building? Now when yana is because yam penokro okromu hawo sankie penokro there is no way we will vote for NDC MPP. Say omo hu say de tie bia no omo anom wo ho. So they are taking us for granted. Tie onim yes ye form a short committee then a mountain commission. Oh mbinu ka say oh ye from amonko ye wo akendi form di party enimpa o owura say dun o say ye friend ayen ko yen this for ye friend ayen ko basic niema say sa commission way it has the power of a high court obe supi now whether you like or you will go. So these basic things some of our leaders they don't know.
Medase abusuan ene nia de ene atene nka ne CPP amanyoko no mu ene owo na Stephen Tufo say no to John Mahama na save Ghana say mo pese mo save Ghana dia pa kwab na so se mechia mo ene anopai Bobby Big Boss said the way every teacher mante na eba wo say me pese me bisa se mesre we de mesre no mabisa ye mampani dada mama ni video no mu amahwe bie no na telensi chirepone ni atiwade no eka ho anase na enka ho me pese me hu efse ni nyina so atwitwasem ekoso ewo ho no mo tafa the way every amahia na eba tafa se kane no honorable kandapa na obu ame woma no so pa na emom commission no a wo call animu na wotwi mu ne nsem okeka ye no me ho adwiri mi ama chese me hu ne menya me ho kora efisa ensem a wo ka no wutia na wutietie mpanimfo eba ni nyina tim se ne ekoso ewa ye waso waso agon no wonimunyamfo kandapa wadi Ghana hwammo papa mini abe ma to asoma mi adade
yo ya kan sembebre but be sha see free ha NDC as a party any yem papa eya na media ne die emano esanse oye no ye former president His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama mijidi say o yare biachi no yare no me nim ni twidi be me kan brofo your friend is selective myopia nani no edru baabia ehu ade clear edru baabia na ani na afura kakra ehu ade enko akire bio say yen wura John Dramani Mahama eko yi video a kire say Ghana omayimu oje the worst researcher I have ever seen. One more year video no man no cross an egu nanimu ase. So no an ye dia na was say nimre, was say na da, was say na brabo. Adenti na make answer. Who ye researcher? Who share de ewo ho. Na wa hwe de ekoso sesia na wa your recommendation. Anya sa. Eba ne say na okofa ya waso West Wagon kwa. Yewo history yewo
yi no wan ka chese wa ye research no
meba
what's in the SCN no eba
the SCN nti o man no enura na sha ase
is it a fancy
so betimi ko yi the other one
enura na Ghana ye sha ase to aba by election say na yakọ me de bia me ka say no so bia ka say ye move forward that don't compare because o sha ase e to ho a ye be ko akọ tu ase ne ya kire men fan to two. So one fan to two. Me first day as MEC and me was station back when I me can say wait there. Even though NC was polling station hono enter ye because election bia koso no yen there yen botai ni say ye ko yi empanimfo a ombedi yanim anka yen na asomdwem enti say bibi sa akosi a obi ani hono mo anani je ho me say me ti he na ye tututuo na ebi be kam e bia sada no metwa mu ho me ko ho me free ho na asem ni si enti me a me ko twa mu ho na tuo ni bi stray bullet na pine na kamia anka be enya me de enti bibi sahasia se anka mampani dada na wo koka ubehwe na ebia me de me won shoes mo I would have condemned it na de kan ya me de atwa ma wo kra e woni video no and they say boys police for no mu ye moral mu to mu German eja akwa yi ase na niewu. He should be ashamed of himself as a former president ukoshia nipa kukudam sa na he had a me say dey see ye no kra anka o ka kire wo mu mpo a anka omu kra e be kan wo akoma entro a wo de kan ho na ye den o nkrofo bia omu to omu nyum yase Jomahama say sa wo mo ehye brown no ohu bi da Jomahama ya ye wo studio ha no sa woni Jomahama bodyguards ni bi wo mo Jomahama nam no hwe fato hwe camera nini enu nie hwan na wo ho no why ni you look at it say ewo nipa Jomahama na ewo ho no enya brown na enya the same national security guys enya Jomahama guys na ewo no wo hu de Ghana for obi anhwe John Dramani Mahama or see ohu bida enya Jomahama bodyguards Ghana for why no name Jomahama bodyguard. So the truth is who ko yi ade na kire international or see de nana do ayebi ye court no ye fra international community no kire wom ye research e ko kire ba bia ye feel say nipa no voters ni free ba ye omu card omu bibia ye kire mu ye share international community no ye ma omuti ase se ade ne se de tie nie se de omu ye ani ye recommendation nie na Jomahama aden boni be na Ghana for the aye no Ghana Jomahama Ghana ha de wa benefit Ghana ha ye taxes ho eche nipa das ni bia e wo Ghana ha e Jomahama no ya assemblyman o ya assemblyman no nje oba amansika or yeah, assemblyman one be MP or yeah, deputy minister or yeah, minister. When no is no news. Or be yeah, vice president, now why yeah president? And then greedy human being pa no. Greedy.
Constitution meba. Adade. Constitution is in a kwan so obana.
Constitution si ni kwan ono ani nipa NDC ni na di na akokot no me de me ni asem NDC ni na di na akokot no ni extreme greed say waji bibia in fact u boss kura say the kwan of us wu ye kura
festival emfanko ho twa so kura maye na Dave Joe Mensa mayi wa free ye ko abusua yebre no aso Dave Joe Mensa se akua CPP ni no na chese ni ade no working ka cha ne ma me se ne e working se CPP ye angels no ka cha ne se me manyin kwa me nkuruma abre so no na omo wo yompan ni a wo ho so na omo ye vigilante group so ni woni mu a abusua ye ko 1 minute ma se mo etwa to na empedifo ye enko Ernesto 1 minute yenko ye breni ti yenteman na
well medase say nyachum na doso and I think say ye nina na we say yetne ya dream ba ye guso kan constitution yi ho asem yete dem hanu say sekania na echo offer it will be an act of ignorance that will cause switch because it may not be the it is obviously not the switch tibia be sha bontin say bia fiha ena kanea ne ko off anase the whole area o checking na area na light on na o fie ha num say na off then you know say it's from your meter. This is all that we are saying. Yensa KIGP yensa kiwe yensa it won't change anything.
Yeah, that's
what has to change is the Sakawa constitution.
Yeah, that's it. Ni simana yenko
na video ya se me bono tofa enu na mete se ye nya ye peni owura osafo mafo wa som dendenden se ne ba ne sen na former president ko kakase ene ebisa se na oya sa na aye din eno se sesi ano investors ye ni omo kasa omo ba ye adwuma ma ye no enunti ukona ne diplomat no kokasa sa hun se omo mfe adwuma no mba nam si bo Ghana baby ayakoduru no nti ye mpanifue omadwen ne se mebunu benye adwuma aye wo Ghana ha ebe free this diplomat. That's what Osafo is telling us.
Yeah, that's it. Odonya akonto asoma me.
Ebi wa ma ye kan ye final words aye de man there. Ghana funya ye mfa support man na Adom Danko Akufo-Addo. Ye hu ndema power ye hwe regions aye create ye wonzepa ye de ma ye hwe seats money ye de what is 20 million seats money ye de ma each region be ye create no. Ome mmoa na Ghana yenye ni ye mfa mpaebo na odo ye mfa ntana na Adom Danko Akufo-Addo echi ye hwe nzema power ye mmon na ye mfa ye ni gidi yani do yemfa nhyem ne hu de ye ya obeyeye Ghana no on say or say banana Adom Danko Akufo-Addo wa beje wa ne ye yemfa mpa bonta na chi yehwe free SHS yehwe national health yehwe nzema power ye oyeli yasan ya discover Oslo nzema papa yemfa mpa bo yemfa town na chi na obeyeye
that's it adade
yo me ye me kan twa to ne say ye wo Ghana ba ko Ghana ne ye ba ko pe na obi biara waye na adwene se obegu o man ye anim ase no obrafo nyom o se de monitor so ono a enso ano enti the Osafo manfo kan ran o se ya de VW ba Ghana ha ebi nsida ya de Nizan ba Ghana ha empanimfo adwuma kesia niama pa e koso wo Ghana ni na Adom Danko Akufo-Addo na mamuo papa enti enwuma Africa ha no anka obi ahwe se omo beba omo nyina aba ha ebe create adwuma omo focus se utie na o se omo focus eni se adwuma beba o man mu na mabunu ne mrantie ne mabawa ebenya adwuma ye omo de sika eba o man nim enti maye nkoseye no se wo president a wo pe degree nti na wo pese wo ko gu nipa ni mu ase na wo si saade we no ani wo si ni nyina kwan a me se mabunu no ye beto atia no Ghana for o pese o gimu adwuma o pese
yeah, that's it. Abusia yemfa seda ema Provident Insurance achede promotion no na ekoso no Provident achede promotion no afidi na ahyase no ye hyase bosom ye dikan emu nyame ya adom e bewie ma ache bosom ne de toso aduasa baako enti no wo car registration na apesa wo ye se wo renew se ye wo new one apesa o ye no Oko Provident achede promotion na ane wonu be yama kama wo ya na asa chewade aka ho taadina jaze wo ya na ya chewade aka ho Provident say wo pese ye wo kata wachiri bo chidom de a ane fa ho bo won na be ye insurance ne wo kama na bibia enkoye emfa ema abusua mede dwumadie no asia say na Kobe Stone ebe lidi ni akwa santemantem near the sports world naba na wo hwe ne wo ye kakakra bi se nko ba mu ohu o kakakra bi se nko ba mu nti Kobi ebeto aso ama media sedama mi producers Dominic Kisiebo a kwakutwum Jacinti Amwa DJ Yayo na Gifty na boaye emiestumi live o Facebook aseda nkoma mu nyina mo amutie ye mo amofre ye mpanimfo efre wo nyina no yedamase nana yenchi kwadade ene executive producer abusu madam ase ma monitor munyime phone na yemfansia na nyamedom ye ne a na wotwe senne yensan ehia ebiem ewo eheya abusu dwumadie no a na yede asie no